for free every single goddamn week. And these calls are live streamed on YouTube, so that you can always go back, watch these shits. All right. Let me come back to you. And man, y'all unmute y'all mics and holler at me, dog. Give me 1 second. Y'all unmute y'all mics and
Hey,
holler at
man,
me.
say, man, hold on everything.
Yo,
What up, what up, what up, what up?
you did. What's happening, boy?
Everybody there. Drop the YouTube in the chat,
Yeah.
man.
Marlo, y'all know.
Yo, Tracy.
What's happening?
What up,
What you
man?
got?
About time, nigga. It's been a little minute, bitch.
Yeah, man.
Yo, bro, I'm at work.
Hey, free the niggas, bitch. You deserve it, though, nigga. You deserve it, though.
Mine.
Hey, gang, I don't know if you remember, but I said I was going to.
What up,
Yo.
niggas, man? We 300 deep on this
Niggas
bitch,
been
man.
stressing since your ass been on vacation.
I've
Memphis,
been
My
man.
hearing,
life,
boy. I've
nigga.
been hearing, boy. I've been hearing it's been bad.
Baltimore on this bitch.
Ain't nobody took them buys.
Been gone, nigga. I ain't got no house arrest, nigga.
Okay, I'm out of here.
Hey, man.
I hope my shit don't disconnect, my nigga.
Need y'all a little break, bro. You dig what I'm saying? Y'all don't need me every single
Hell
goddamn
nah,
week,
that
bro.
break
That's when
caused me
y'all
house
start to
arrest.
become. That's when y'all start to become
Let's go
dependent
on
on
that
me, bro.
trader talk, man.
Yeah, it's hard, bro. I'm glad y'all fucking with the music, gang.
Hey, no, yeah, speaking of Trader Talk, what
All
bitch
right,
name
some of
we
them
was
gotta
in,
live
man,
their
when that
best
shit
life,
coming back,
man.
bro?
Hey, look, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, some do a lot, bro. I be on Zoom teach y'all niggas a lot, bro. Y'all want to be dependent on me. You dig what I'm saying? Sometimes it's good for me to step the fuck back.
Oh, yeah?
And for y'all to finally goddamn take what I've been teaching y'all and put that shit to action. Now keep it all the way gangster, goddamn. Y'all been struggling without me, or y'all been got to making some pay.
I ain't
Keep it
struggling,
gangster.
Man,
bitch.
y'all been in this bitch
Nah,
back
Keep
and
man.
it
forth.
gangster.
Hey,
Struggling,
you know the
bitch. I
free,
lost
Fucking like
1,200.
a
yeah, free
motherfucker.
Trey been chopping it up.
Hey,
Get some pay. The
I
baddies be
I'm,
running
I'm in
it
a
Free
up.
lose,
mid
bro.
To
ass.
I'm
the
in lose,
baddies,
bro.
what's up,
on, Nas,
Tracy?
get
Country
my ass
nigga.
beat, bro.
I've
Bro,
been
it's okay,
stressing.
bro. I can't help niggas if they don't keep it gangster with me. You know what I mean? So I respect all that.
I've been
Yeah, I
stressing, nigga.
respect that.
Putting
Niggas
belt
say they
to
be getting the
ass.
motherfucking belt. I ain't no selling
$1,300
for no making
gone.
no motherfucking
Nah,
paper. Quit the
we
fucking
been chopping
bullshit.
up in the free chat on Telegram, though.
Yeah,
Hey, I got a
Telegram to do
question
what the
though.
fuck it need to do. Gang,
I got
next
a
time I'm gonna get the
question.
belt. What's up, man?
Hey, I created a Genesis account, but I didn't use your promo code and I added money to the thing. So is it a way I could like move your promo code over there?
If you ain't use my promo code off of sign up, you're fraud. Did you use my link? This shit's for first time sign-ups and first time deposits under my link only. I can get you moved under me, but if you didn't already deposit before using my goddamn shit, then you're fraud.
Damn.
You're fraud baked beans.
But
Yeah, I mean, that's why you gotta listen to the rules I put up in
if
there.
you ain't deposited, you good.
And you goddamn either under my link or you need to get under my link before you goddamn deposit. Then let me know so I can get you that goddamn deposit bonus.
What you
Where
said,
you
bet?
want
So
it?
I could just
Where
create
to
a
hit
whole
you
nother
at?
account though, right? Yo, Tracy.
What up?
That motherfucker
Hey,
corresponds for my nigga. You gotta bump
I,
that shit to 3K, my nigga.
I should bump the price up, shouldn't
Hey,
I?
bro,
Shouldn't
you
Man,
ain't
the
pay
nigga
me
already
shit
broke
yet.
your
I?
fuck. The fuck you talking about, nigga? You paid my way in. Fuck you talking about bumping shit up. What's wrong with you,
Swear to
nigga?
God, like,
Hey,
damn,
look,
What's
nigga,
wrong with
pay
you,
hey,
my
nigga?
way in.
hey,
Pay
hey,
my
look,
way in,
hey,
nigga. Fuck you talking about?
hey,
Already broke
hey,
hell.
Bro, said I need a
when
question.
we get on
See,
that
should we
goddamn
get
Change that
Tell
price,
that
Tracy?
white
Tracy.
say you
Look
gonna
out
change,
for
take
it.
your ass all the
Hey,
way.
that's a
Earn a
bullshit
friend.
right there,
Bro, I can't
Tracy.
even
Better watch your mouth.
that's how you know that motherfucker correspondent. I ain't say that. Yo, gang,
Tracy,
like,
look at this.
nah, don't kick him for saying shit, cause the nigga
Hey, my
right, the
boy,
course fire. Now, I ain't gonna
you
up it
not
right now,
shit.
but shit, nigga, I should charge a nigga 5,000 for that
Hell
sausage in the
yeah,
oven. No, mama,
bruh.
that course crazy, nigga. You kidding me?
Fucking the 4 hour, that 4 hour hit
Nigga, what?
inverted fair value gap. The 5 minute fair value gap, 50%. I bet you flew.
That bitch easy money on, nigga. That's
Hell
what gold
yeah.
doing right now, nigga. I
There's
just
gonna
missed that
be
shit,
a
bitch.
Z wide receiver out wide, an X out wide, and then
Boy,
H
what the hell you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about
starting
no
with
more.
an F.
That
I don't know
nigga
what the hell you
playing
talking about no
Madden,
more.
ain't
What the hell
it?
you talking about? I don't know what the fuck that nigga talking about no more. He need to shut the hell up. Anywho, I'm gonna get y'all. Give me a second to ask me questions and shit. All right, let me do this first, and then before we get on the charts, I'll let y'all ask me all the questions y'all want and all that good shit. Before we get on the goddamn charts, bro, give me a one in the chat. One's in the chat. If this is your first time being on the call with me and my squad, first time being on Zoom with me, man. You dig what I'm saying? This is lit. All the new faces that we get every single motherfucking week is absolutely insane. That's what's up. That's what's up. Every single week we get bigger and bigger and bigger. Welcome to the goddamn family. You know what I mean? Y'all probably done seen me on Instagram popping shit. That's what the fuck I do. Oh, gang, because y'all niggas don't pay attention no other way but by a nigga doing what the fuck I do. You know what I'm saying? So I got to get y'all attention one way or another. I got to get y'all attention one way or another. Happy 100K. Thank you. I didn't get a chance to celebrate 100,000. I'm at 120 now. You know what I mean? But thank you. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all y'all that got them took the time out to be on this goddamn call once again, bro. It means a lot to me that y'all take the time out to come fuck with me, bro. Got them see what the hell going on with his knowledge. Y'all know I preach his traders and trap shit. I know y'all hear the way I talk already. Y'all know y'all see the way I am, but this is how we get down with the get down. Man. You know what I mean? So with that being said, I'm gonna give y'all a quick little introduction on who I am, where I come from. Let y'all ask any questions, then we're gonna get this shit started. All right. My name is Tracy Esco Jr. I'm 27 years old. I turned 28 in September or next month. You know what I mean? Shout out to all my Virgos in the building. You dig what I'm saying? Pride gang. Oh God. Pride just got them trade and shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm a felon. Either the shit fucking sucks. You dig what I'm saying? I probably went to jail like at least 10 times, bro. Well, I ain't gonna say at least, bro. Max 10. You know what I'm saying? Right, 8 to 10, somewhere right now. You know what I'm saying? When I was a young nigga, bro. Yeah, the shit sucks, bro. Oh God, I just got you know what I mean? We talk about that shit all day. But look, you know what I'm saying? So goddamn, yeah, but I did. I went to jail from around 8 to 10 times, somewhere around that motherfucker, bro. You know what I mean? When I was a young nigga, from like 16 to 18. You know what I'm saying? I went to jail a lot. But I never really learned my lesson because I was sitting that bitch for like goddamn a week. You know what I mean? Got that little pat in the wrist, got them couple days, get the fuck out, probation, violate, get the fuck out again. Like nigga, I always used to get the fuck out. And so yeah, it was always a pat on the wrist for me. I never really got them learned my lesson, bro. Then I went to prison for 2 motherfucking years. You know what I mean? For kicking in somebody's door with somebody that I shouldn't have did that shit with, bro. My best motherfucking friend, my best goddamn friend, bro, snitched on me, bro. Made me do every single piece of time. And he ain't get no charges. Yeah, shit sucks. You know what I'm saying? So that was my big eye open. That's why I preach this trade, this new trap shit, bro. The streets is dead. Everybody drop in the comments. Streets is dead. Streets is dead. Drop that shit in the comments. Streets is dead, but drop that shit in the comments, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to understand, bro, that it's literally dead. Like streets is dead. In the comments flooded. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to understand this shit. I don't say that shit because nigga, I say this shit because I live this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, a lot of people be acting like they done did a lot of goddamn shit, bro. I'm a nigga that done lived all the shit that y'all think they be rapping about. I done did all that shit, bro. And that shit ain't get a nigga nowhere but behind that goddamn wall for 2 motherfucking years, nigga. And thank God it was only 2 years. You know what I'm saying? Thank God it was only 2 years. And also thank God that I went through that shit early in life. You know what I'm saying? I went my goddamn
we don't do it as this first gap is the two.
What's up there, look? Goddamn. You feel me? So I'm a nigga that went through my goddamn little lessons early in life, bro. You feel what I'm saying? Goddamn, I know a lot of motherfuckers. We know a lot of motherfuckers still going back and forth with the goddamn. Okay.
Every other offense I'm going to fight him 2, 4, 6, 8.
I had to kick his ass about the car.
I was about to say, get that nigga the boot.
Because he just did that shit 2 times. So I'm God with a stupid ass. Anywho, you know what I'm saying? So goddamn, yeah, bro. I forgot what the fuck I was saying. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little high. Oh, nigga, all right, so so I went to prison, right? And I learned in that shit, but streets is dead. Streets is dead, you know what I'm saying? But I went to prison for someone else, you know what I mean? So I came to fuck home, and I already knew that I ain't want to go back to prison, bro. You know what I'm saying? I knew that, but I needed to make that pay. You know what I'm saying? And I'm a habitual felon, bro, at this point. You know, I got a lot of felonies, bro. And it's a long story on how I went to prison one time and ended up getting damn near 8 felonies, bro. You found it's fucking insane. You know what I mean? But I got a real bad background. So saying all that shit to say, bro, I ain't have the same job opportunities that the rest of y'all may have, bro. You know what I mean? Like I got the same. Drop in the chat what a felon's route in life is. Like, what's a felon job? What y'all think? What's up?
McDonald's.
Nigga,
McDonald's, nigga. I'm barely getting that shit.
It ain't even McDonald's,
nigga was at a chicken plant probably.
Robbing nigga.
Then
I got a felon
my
job,
nigga.
low key.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all
Like,
get the
I
point.
got
Y'all
a
get
funny
the point I'm
right
trying to
now.
make. You dig what I'm saying? Y'all get the point I'm trying to make, bro. It's
collector.
nigga. Everything that y'all just dropped in the chat, that's like fucking 6 or 7 different things, nigga. That's really like 5 things, boy. Y'all just named like 17 different restaurants. It's all cooks. Y'all get the point I'm trying to make. Like, nigga only got about 5 fucking options, nigga. You see what I'm saying? And that's just to make decent money. You know what I mean? Let alone got them getting rich. But you ain't getting rich if you know felon unless you a goddamn entrepreneur. Point blank. Period. You see what I'm saying? So goddamn, with that being that won't in the streets. And I don't think none of us knew that trading was gonna be the route, bro. Drop a one in the chat if you was born and since the day you was born, you knew you was gonna be a trader. Point exactly. You know what I'm saying? It's something that just came across your motherfucking plate, right? You know what I'm saying? Esteban, shut the fuck up, your line there. Oh good. Goddamn Scotty too, your line there is all good. Hey, look. But goddamn, it's just something that came across my goddamn plate, you feel me? Goddamn. I went back to work, bro. I got to work at Burger King, goddamn McDonald's, bro. I did construction, I did roofing, I did Craigslist jobs. I don't know if y'all niggas ever scrolled through Craigslist looking for jobs. You know what I'm saying? Like gigs, nigga. That shit called gigs. Y'all niggas ain't been that broke. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn, yeah, the gigs. You feel what I'm saying? The gigs. Or
they don't know about career strategies, bro.
Yeah, they don't know about career strategies, gang. You know what I'm saying? They don't know. Y'all niggas don't know about donating plasma twice a week. Y'all know about that. You know what I'm saying? That with me, bitch. I still got the goddamn mark on my arm. That's why I put a tattoo right here. You know what I'm saying?
Man,
like,
goddamn plasma paying out $100.
Damn, he said
$100
career
a pop, man.
strategies. I ain't heard that one in a minute.
Niggas don't know
That,
nothing
yo, I
about
swear to God, I just
nigga.
that was me all last year.
Niggas don't know about that goddamn. Niggas don't know about that motherfucker. Them motherfucking labor finders. Goddamn motherfucking
Labor
God, niggas don't know
finders,
nothing about that
people
shit, bro.
ready.
Oh, got the motherfucking
That's
staff
crazy,
zone.
bro.
Y'all niggas don't know nothing about no staff zone, nigga. Oh
That
God,
goddamn BioLife, man.
Hell yeah.
You know what I'm saying, bro? Anything that y'all think y'all did, bro, I done been there, done that too, my nigga. I done been there, done that, bro. And then wait, who an Iron Mail, baby? Who came from Iron Mail?
Damn, your shit be cutting out a little bit sometimes.
Y'all heard me. I say, who came from Iron Mail,
I'm an
nigga? Who came from
baby.
Who an Iron Mail, baby?
I'm an IML baby.
I did that bootleg ass.
I'm a motherfucking wannabe chairman.
Oh
Man.
God! Hey, with the influence I
I was
got
up
now,
there
bitch,
too.
I'll
No
be a
cap.
chairman, 100
Yo,
million, bitch. Word on game.
I was
Oh God.
P100, then I got the P300, then
I couldn't get
I
past
was
the P150 because I
P150
was still.
7 times, bitch.
How the fucking nigga go goddamn shit? How
500.
I'ma teach niggas, hey, bro, I'm gonna got to make you all this money and I'm still broke. That shit don't ain't fucking work. Oh
Man, they
God, nigga,
kept asking me,
IML
show
never.
me, show me,
You
show
know,
me.
no, God, bro. My IML never worked for me because nigga, I'm still living in my car. Goddamn, making videos out the car. Talking about, let me get you rich, man. Shut the fuck up. No, God, you know what I'm saying?
All they
So
wanted you to do is make videos and shit.
oh God, bro, you feel me? But if you still here after that IML shit, man, that means you understand the longevity of what you was in front of, bro. A lot of them niggas was just there to goddamn recruit. You still here to this day, nigga. That means you a goddamn real deal trader. You do what I'm saying? So drop some flames in the chat for everybody that's on this call that came from a motherfucking IML. Cause that means that you've been goddamn doing this shit for years. You never gave the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? You never gave the fuck up. And that's on. And listen, anything has a 100. Being said, bro, you still here to this day, bro. You already know what the fuck going on. That you was meant to be great. A lot of them niggas didn't understand what they was in front of, nigga. You do. So shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Now, as far as my little story goes, to finish this shit up real quick, goddamn, I joined IML back in 2020, or I'm sorry, 2019, under one of my homeboys from Sanford, North Carolina, my boy Braxton. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn, I joined under his ass. I was in Trey House. I stayed in that bitch about 6 months. And IML taught me two things, bro. One, that everybody in that bitch is some bullshit. Because I was a nigga that came in that bitch within 1 month and was teaching everybody. You know what I'm saying? I'm a nigga that got straight to the videos. Everybody else is in this bitch recruiting. You know what I'm saying? So how the fuck I'm the new nigga teaching all y'all? Oh God, Tracy, how the fuck you just marked up the chart like that? Man, I just same video y'all told me to watch. Did y'all obviously did watch y'all goddamn set? You know what I'm saying? So it just showed me that A, everybody in that bitch is a bullshit. B, it taught me that I had a gift for reciprocating information. The same way I sit here and talking to you guys right now. I talk about the charts like I'm talking in the trap. You know what I'm saying? I just got that, you know what I mean? Like they call it hood nigga, the hood ICT, the hood nigga, whatever the fuck you want to call the shit. Whatever makes sense for me is what makes sense for everybody the fuck else. You know what I mean? So I figured out that I had a gift with reciprocating information. I was able to make niggas a lot of fucking money before I ever made myself a dime. You know what I'm saying? After that, I left goddamn IML. And I had to got them study myself about 3 years, bro. You know what I mean? I went through 3 years of like making money and giving it back, bro. I would never withdraw the shit. You know what I mean? I would make money try to turn that bitch into $1 million and give up my thousands. You see what I'm saying? Like, you ever got them compounding the account all the way the fuck up to the moon and then you ain't withdraw it and then you lose it all, nigga?
Man,
That was
in there, nigga.
you feel me? That was me for 3 years. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm going through that right now.
What was y'all biggest loss? Drop it in the chat. Biggest loss.
1,500.
2K,
2K, 10K, 50K, 1.7K, 8,000, 2,000, 3,000, 6,000.
25 bands.
642 minutes.
Hey, how you start that though? Like, how do you stop? Like,
Man, I put my
giving
shit
the
up
money
Get to
back?
that. I get the answer to all the
700.
questions.
Being
32
greedy, nigga.
I
That's how
got
you
that
start
mine
it.
right minutes.
Hey, look, I asked y'all to drop this shit in the chat for any potential new niggas or any goddamn experienced niggas that feel like they've been going through this shit by themselves. Bitch, everybody lose. Everybody fucking losing. Everybody get hit hard too. Everybody get hit hard too. But I just lost motherfucker today. No, God, y'all niggas talk about y'all biggest goddamn loss.
You said what? Your shit cut out.
Your shit keep
nigga.
cutting in and out, Tracy.
Hey,
God,
Trace, you be going in and out a little bit.
boy, can y'all hear me in this bitch? Yay or nay?
Yeah, maybe
A
you need to
little
uncover
bit.
your speaker.
Yeah. Shit. Hey, this a new
Stop on your
laptop.
phone. Stop
This a
on
new
your.
laptop, so my
It's a
apologies.
setting. It's a setting for noise cancellation. Your noise
Man,
cancellation might be on, which is why you keep going out.
the person talking.
My fault. My fault. This is a brand. I just bought this laptop literally an hour ago, so my apologies. I mean, give me 1 second. Y'all can hear me, this bitch.
Go with it. Go with it.
Y'all can hear me. Y'all can hear me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you good, buddy.
Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me make.
Hey, if y'all not in JG buys right now, y'all crazy.
Nigga, if you're not in Nas buys, you crazy.
I'm fucking Nas ass up right now.
Fuck Nas up. Me too, gang. Me too, gang.
I'm a motherfucking lunatic, nigga. Somebody send the play, bro.
Fucking gold got them
Can y'all
snatch
hear
me.
me? Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right, bet. So goddamn, let me finish all the shit the fuck up. So goddamn, nigga, I went through 3 years of goddamn just losing money, making money, giving that shit the fuck back. You see what I'm saying? And then I fucked around and came across the shit that I know today, which is smart money concepts. That's
Damn.
across that, got them information, bro. Studied that shit for 3 months and then flipped 17 hours into 17,000 in 2 days. You see what I'm saying? Fucking crazy is one of the craziest things I ever did. And the luckiest shit I ever did. Finally got that withdrawal to hit my bank account. I was finally able to touch that shit. You see what I'm saying? And that shit changed my whole motherfucking life. From there, that shit started a social media journey y'all see today. You see what I'm saying? That shit started all the certified sniper shit that y'all see. And as far as goddamn my accomplishments, you know what I mean? Last month I just made fucking $104,000. So that right there should say enough. You know what I mean? Like niggas been going absolutely fucking insane when it comes to these charts, nigga. No cap. You know what I mean? But I pride myself a lot more on not what I'm able to do, but what I'm able to do for other motherfuckers, what I'm able to do for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I think that's more important than anything. Like it's a lot of people that know how to trade. It's not a lot of people that know how to get other people in position. And that's what I pride myself on doing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna shut the fuck up with all this talking. I'm gonna let my work talk for itself. If y'all got any questions, by all means, y'all can ask away. Besides that, nigga, I'll go ahead and get to it.
You said you lost how much today?
Hey, do you
2,000.
Do you plan for FOMC days?
Yeah. I mean, I just wait until after that red folder comes out to trade. That's how you play it for. What's up?
Hey, Tracy, quick question again. How the fuck you remove the old entries and exit the charts on Trade Locker?
Got to go to the set somewhere.
Yeah, Google it, bro. I did that shit last week. If you
Bro,
Google
that shit
that,
been fucking me up
it,
last
it'll
week.
come up.
Trying to figure out how to take that shit
Click
out.
on the G. It's in the settings.
Go
It
to
is in the
settings.
settings.
Come back to hell.
Yeah.
Going to set that fuck with that. Hey, man, y'all unmute y'all mics and holler at me, dog. Give me 1 second. Yeah.
Man,
Hey,
Tracy.
Tracy, my nigga.
What you got?
What it do, Foley?
Yo.
Hey man, where that
Screen
pippin
share
ain't
taking a
easy
little
at when you
minute,
bring
gang.
that back.
What's up with it?
Pippin ain't easy. Got deleted. I got.
Everybody shit went out, or it's just
I'm
me?
about to say I ain't hear nothing, bro. Just said right now.
Tracy,
Everybody shit went out
Go
for a
get the
split second.
old
Tracy, you
laptop.
might
Man,
be
my
too
Tracy.
far
bad, man.
from your router.
That's not even your fault, Tracy.
I don't know what the fuck. Like I say, my apologies, bro. I just bought this motherfucker today, bro. I'm thinking I went and spent about $2,000 on this laptop, boy. This little bitch acting like she don't want to run Zoom right now. It's fucking crazy. You know what I mean? Fuck all that. We back. I ain't finna got them keep on talking. Let's go ahead and get to the goddamn charts. Did I answer all the questions before I got started?
Now, what were you saying about the music though?
Oh, that shit got deleted. That shit got deleted because one of the producers got the hating on my motherfucking ass. You know what I mean? So I gotta goddamn I gotta either find that fucking producer because I don't know which motherfucking one it was. So I gotta go and find
Or
his
you just
ass.
gotta find
Got
me
this.
to make
Hey,
your
look,
beats,
Trace,
nigga.
you
That's
gonna need
it.
a cameraman, ain't
nigga for that.
Nigga, find me, nigga.
Let's get
Yeah,
to
so I
this
got you.
Niggas
you
need
gonna
that
need a
552
cameraman, ain't
AM
it, nigga?
back, man.
Let's
That
get to
Yeah,
this
552 would get me
money.
through it.
I got a trading question.
Go with
Yeah.
this. What's up?
Yeah. When you're doing the CRTs, do you wait for the second candle to close to confirm it? Or
That's a smart way to do it.
that's a smart way to do it. Okay, say less.
I
And
thought
then
it was the third
for the
candle, Tracy.
CRT, can you confirm
The
The
that?
third
second.
The
closure.
You
third
ride the
candle.
Yeah, I'm
third.
not even gonna
Third
lie.
candle.
Yeah, I thought it was
The
a third.
third candle was the entry candle. The third candle was the candle
But the
you ride.
second is
No,
confirming the CRT, correct?
Yes. Once
That's
the
if you want to
second
trade
candle came,
aggressively, right?
that's the second. Man, hold on, man. First of all, it's too many CRT questions on the free call. You know, that's first and foremost. You dig what
I'm
I'm
just saying
saying?
that's the
That's
third
Charles finna
candle
ask y'all
closure.
what's
that's
a
first and
CRT, my
foremost.
nigga?
That's all
No,
I'm saying.
God, like
My
that's
question
first
was
and
simple. I
foremost.
just asked for a candle
Nah,
question.
nah, keep talking to me. Keep telling that
Yeah,
shit. Keep saying
man.
that shit. Keep saying that shit.
What's a CRT, my
Yeah,
Answer
nigga?
keep
my
saying that shit.
question.
I'm picking
Your
up.
ass
Answer my
green as fuck.
question.
Saying this, I thought it was the third one,
They
bro.
said game applied me elevation.
One, don't get
Let me
too
now I
loud.
We
gotta
ain't
get
gotta
up in
talk
here.
about it.
We get a little bit too deep for the streets, boy. Oh God. Hey, look, this all I will say, yeah, bro. CRT is a 3-candle sequence. First candle creates the range. Second candle, once it stops, third candle expands. Once the second candle closes, you know what the third candle is gonna do. That's why I'm saying the second candle is the confirmation candle, third candle is the entry candle. Third candle gives you a pullback to ride the fucking trade. You know what I'm
That's
saying?
I thought so. I thought so.
Okay, all right. So so there you go. That's that on the guys. All
You
right.
need a
You know what I
cameraman, my
mean?
nigga. Hey, Trace. You
I
find me a
got a
cameraman, man.
full-time cameraman. They got to pay that nigga rent to get on to do everything for me. Nigga. No, I got
Hey,
yeah. He's already set in stone. Cameraman full-time. Shout out my dog T. Oh good. Well, I'll just get to these motherfucking charts, nigga. That's what I'm ready to do. All right, bet.
Hey,
Chart
you
work.
ain't coming to the bay for your little for your little speak things.
Sooner or later I will. Chart work. Oh God. Sooner or later I will. Chart work. Let me do this right here real quick too. Give me 1 second. Let me do this right here real quick too. Make sure I ain't nobody goddamn get it doing something. All right, bet. All right, let's do it. All right, so we're gonna start right here on gold. See what the fuck going on gold, man. All right, boom. Let me get a fresh chart.
Oh, told my ass up today, man.
Me and you both, brother. Me and you the fuck both. I mean, I got hit. I cashed out on her ass yesterday. Called they got them gold sale for you guys. Made a smooth little 4,500. Took that shit straight to the bank. And today I got hit. But goddamn, I'm finna show y'all guys what happened and what I'm looking for to goddamn look. What I'm looking forward to happen moving forward. All right, so start off higher time frame. We go monthly. All right. Now, remember what I told you guys last week, bro, as far as how this monthly could close and what would happen if that monthly candle closed how it did. Now, what do we have now that this monthly candle closed? For those that's been following me for the last few weeks, you know what I'm saying? What do we have now that this monthly candle closed? And we got a new monthly open. What's new on the chart that we got them use to our advantage?
A fair value gap.
Fair value gap. Resting right the fuck here. You know what I mean? So you already know we've been looking for this right here to got them get formed for the last week or so. You see what I'm saying? Just waiting to see how last month's candle closed. And now we can see that we got a monthly FVG right here. You know what I mean? So we also understand that we got a gap below prices here. This one. All right, stretch this out. And then we got this one right here. Please stop drawing on the screen. I mean, don't do that no more. Appreciate you. You know what I mean? So we got both of these gaps right here. There's also another big ass one that's right below price, and we'll worry about this once price really gets to goddamn sell the fuck off. Now the question is, bro, see how we got them trapped in between two gaps? We got this gap is on top of price, and we got this gap right here that's below price. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to figure out which way this bitch gonna go first. You gonna go up and fill in this gap? Like whichever way she goes first, bro, the expansion in the opposite direction is gonna be insane. So if she goes down to get this goddamn bullish gap down here first, she'll expand and go get that. You see what I'm saying? And vice versa, bro. If she goes here first, she should sell down and go get that. You understand? Now, this is from a monthly perspective. You know what I'm saying? This is a higher time for perspective. We don't know how long it's going to take for these shits to get filled, but it's just good to know where we're at from a higher time for perspective. This bitch gets the buying up, like out of nowhere. We already know what the fuck going on. We know what to aim for. We know what to get in position for. This bitch get to selling off out of nowhere. We know what the fuck is on. We know how to got them getting. We know how to take advantage. We know what to get in position for. You know what I'm saying? So we're just being patient as of right now. You know what I mean? This is all we really need to pay attention to as well. I can also see that right in the middle of this goddamn fair value gap right here. What can y'all see? For all my experience, Esco booming traders, the smart money traders. What's right in the middle?
BPR.
BPR.
You know what I mean? So now I really just want to pay attention to this key area right here. You know what I'm saying? Right. This is all I care about. This. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to see how price reacts once and if and when she gets up there. You know what I mean? Now, once again, we're trying to debate on if she's going to go up and go get this gap first or if she's going to come down and get here first. All right. This is what zooming into the lower time frames can got them help us understand. You know what I'm saying?
I got a question on that real quick.
What's up?
She's going down first.
So if it's going down first, since it's got that bigger gap underneath it, wouldn't the safer call to be, just wait on it going down to the bigger gap at the bottom?
I mean, you're gonna be waiting for that. You're gonna be waiting
forever.
Well, yeah, this is
the monthly game. You know what I'm saying?
This monthly.
This the monthly.
This the monthly. This ain't.
You ain't gonna get no money. You wait on that, nigga.
Oh God, but you're gonna miss all the pay. Now all we gotta do is figure out which way she going, and then we can aim for that. You smell what I'm selling? Like, goddamn, it's one thing to wait for price to get down there, and then we can take trades off of it. But once again, that's a monthly thing, so we don't know how long it's gonna take for that shit to happen. But if I know what she's aiming for, if I can figure out, all right, she's definitely coming out to get that. Then we can get in sales on a lower time frame and aim for down there and catch that pay, and then buy it back up, ping pong her motherfucking ass. You know what I'm saying? Or vice versa, bro. We just got to figure that shit out from a lower time frame. Now, this is like the daily 4 hours, something like that. Then maybe I'll be more or less like, hell yeah, let's just wait for the pullback. You know what I'm saying? But once again, this is the monthly. We ain't gonna wait that long for shit. Yeah, that makes sense. Everybody, give me ones.
Ones for sure.
One.
That makes sense.
One.
Makes sense.
He can wait till next month. I'm not though.
Yeah, I ain't waiting till next month. I need that shit today.
What's the
BPR? And I just got hit a little bit too, boy. You said what, gang?
BPR. What is a BPR?
Balanced price range, bro. Two gaps stacked in the same area. You see it's a bearish gap right there. And then right in the bearish gap, it's a bullish gap right there. It's two gaps stacked in the same area. Balanced price range. Whenever you see multiple gaps stacked in the same area, that's price telling you, hey, nigga, look here. All right, most strongest gap in the market is when multiple gaps are stacked in the same area. All right, so let's go down to a weekly. Let's see what we can get.
That nigga needed a sip for that.
Yeah, sipping that blunt. All right. We got 400 people on the call too, man. Flames in the chat for that, man. That's hard. 400 people off of goddamn 3 hours of promoting this bitch. We got 400
ain't
traders
gonna
on
lie,
the call.
bro. You remember 100 people?
Yeah,
I was still at 100 people, gang.
Niggas don't remember we was doing this shit from our message chats. Nigga, it was like 12 of us, nigga. Like, nigga, we came a long way, brother. A long way. It just took a long way.
I'm glad you started doing this shit then, nigga. I've missed nothing.
No, okay, for a lot of y'all just now starting to find.
By next year, this is gonna be.
Nah, I've been here for about 8 months, gang. I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, you still late, brother. Trust me.
I've been here when they had the 350 for the course.
You feel me? That bitch done went from guy. I remember when I dropped that bitch. That bitch immediately dropped. It was only $100 when it dropped.
I was hearing that shit was for $250.
I've been here since you've been increasing that motherfucker, but that bitch was.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. When you first dropped that shit at 350, I said, man, this nigga ain't know what the fuck he doing. But no, nigga, you on that shit, nigga.
Bro been on that since like forever.
Far from course seller, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, gang, all I got to say is I'm proud of you, buddy.
For sure.
Thank y'all, man. Thank y'all, bro.
I'm seeing the vision from the pre-order.
Nah, Tracy. Proud of you, Tracy. Swear.
Thank you. All right, let's keep this shit going, man. Let's get this shit going. You know what I mean? So we hear from that weekly. All right, so we come down to this guy. Thank y'all, by the way. It means the world again. You know what I mean? Weekly. All right, so we go weekly on that motherfucking ad. All right, so this weekly is kind of ugly, but we're going to try to read through this bitch, bro. The reason why it's so ugly, because as you can see, price has kind of been sitting down this bitch for the last damn near a couple months. You know what I'm saying? Come down to the daily, you can really see that shit. See how sideways she's been? You know what I'm saying? That's a good little month and goddamn. 1, 2, 3 weeks, 4, 5, 6. That's about 7 weeks of price sitting right the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? So we're trying to break this bitch down and figure out what the fuck's going on and why. We got to try our hardest to read through the shit. All right. So the
week
first
5,
thing
week
that I
2.
picked, huh?
I said week 5, week 5, week 2.
Week 5, week 2. Mm-hmm.
Week 5 of June, week 2 of July.
Yo, I'm new here, yo. What time for you be looking at for the setup?
Let me get the. Let me get the. All right. So goddamn boom, weekly. All right. So the first thing that I peep from this goddamn weekly time frame is this little imbalance right here. You see what I'm saying? Very, very important, the price action. Why? Because this is what's called a volume imbalance. You see how these candles don't goddamn look the same? It looks weird right here. You see how this candle closes here, the next one opens there? You know what I'm saying? That's a volume imbalance. You know what I mean? It's more like it could be a new week opening gap. If you ever notice how price opens closes somewhere on Friday, opens somewhere else on Sunday. You see what I'm saying? Or maybe a new day opening gap, whatever the case may be. This is a volume imbalance that I've been paying attention to for the last few weeks because price cannot break it. We see wicks do the damage and bodies tell the story. Okay, none of these bodies get on top of this goddamn on top of this volume imbalance. So until that happens, we'll see price goddamn either keep goddamn playing sideways or start selling the fuck off. If she closes on top of this gap, that's when I'll start looking for those buys to really goddamn expand up to that monthly gap that we was referring to. All right. So the monthly gap's up here. All right. We can close on top of this weekly shit. I'll be more than happy to goddamn start being overly bullish to take that bitch up there. You see what I'm saying? Another reason why this area is another reason why this area sticks out to me is if we look right here to the left, because everybody see this bullish fair value gap that's right here. All right.
Yeah.
So we all there's a bullish fair value gap that's sitting right the fuck here, right? And as you can see, this played a major role in price. Let's zoom this bitch out real quick. FEG, all right. See how price came down here and wicked this area, held in support, and then bought all the way the fuck back up. So as we can see, this is a good area that held its weight with price. Then we eventually got to closing below that bitch. And once she closed, and then once she closed below it, y'all gotta wait until I finish my shit for y'all get to ask me questions, gang. You know what I mean, goddamn boom. So as you can see, price was suspecting this area bullish, bounced all the way up from that bitch. And the second she closed below this gap, what she got to doing? Breaking it, retesting, and selling. You see what I'm saying? So this is how fair value gaps play a role in price. This is where major support and resistance comes into play. As long as price stays on top of bullish gaps, price remains bullish. Second that price gets below a bullish gap, price starts going down. You see what I'm saying? So this motherfucker's been staying below these two gaps for the last few weeks. And that's what I've really been paying attention to. Are we going to stay below these key areas, or is she going to get enough bullish momentum to really get the rocket? You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna delete this one. And we're just going to keep this one right here for the sake of the call. All right. Now, let's come down to a daily perspective. All right. Because we need to figure out why price has been kind of stopping right the fuck here. You know what I mean? I think about me and how I analyze prices. I'm very, very precise on like why the fuck price is stopping and where is she stopping at. You know what I mean? I need to know why support is being held up right here. What is she at? What is she hitting that's so strong here that she can't seem to break it? You dig what I'm saying? So I get to look into the goddamn left. And the first thing that I see is this swing low right here, because we understand that price loves liquidity. You know what I mean? Liquidity equals stop losses, right? So we can see the swing low right here. And can you see how many times price came below this low and smacked it, but can't close below it? You see what I'm saying? And now we're starting to get a little bit of bullish momentum. Excuse me. Bullish momentum to the upside, right? So I've been paying attention to how price has been reacting from this swing low. And if you really zoom in on price action, right? And look at what she's been doing down here. Look how many times she liquidity sweeps. Look how many times she goes below the previous low, right? Pay attention to this shit. We got a low right here. Obviously, she runs through them bitches. You know what I'm saying? It gets to reversing back up. Move this over here. That low, that new low right here that she creates. She bounces up, liquidates that low, and then what happens after that? Expands to the upside, right? Creates more lows right here. Smashing them bitches right here. Then what happens? Expands to the upside. And then what just happened last week? Another low got created, smashed that motherfucker, and then expands to the upside. You know what I mean? And for all my CRT students, you know what I mean? For all my goddamn VIP members, you can see what's happening today as well. You know what I mean? So price continuously runs lows, but if we come down and look to that at the high, like keep zooming into the lower time frame and really paying attention to shit, look how many times price really liquidate shit. Low right here, smash. Look at how many times these wicks go below previous lows, then it spans back up. But if we start looking to the upside, look at how clean these highs are that still stand. All right, we got highs up here, equal. You see what I'm saying? Highs up here, relatively equal, right? Even more highs up here that are equal. Are y'all seeing what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So what I'm looking at is seeing the fact that price, every single time that price flashes down, it runs a stop and then reverses back up. You see what I'm saying? While all the flashes ups leaves the highs. Okay. And so that's a sideways market, but at the same time, it's screaming that eventually we're gonna get a goddamn expansion to the upside. You know what I mean? Because all the lows get goddamn ran and all the highs are still being respected. All right. So she's building up liquidity on top of price. You understand? She wants everybody to continue to sell up here, thinking that these highs are going to hold their weight. Everybody throws their stop losses on top of these highs. And what else so happens to be on top of these highs? That gap that we was referring to. You know what I'm saying? So now everybody throws that liquidity in the exact same key area. Is this making sense so far? As far as what I'm looking at with the sideways market? Can I get a 1 in the chat? We're on the same page so far?
Whoa.
Ones for sure. For sure. All right, bet. Now, goddamn, once again, I ain't go. Obviously, we're still sideways, you know what I mean? And it's very hard to predict sideways breakouts. So I'm not going to be like, me and this bitch and be like, I'm 100% set on buys. However, I do see what's trying to be set the fuck up. I do see it. You know what I'm saying? I do see the liquidity that's being built on the upside and how all the goddamn liquidity on the downside keeps getting smashed. You see what I'm saying? So I'm paying attention to this shit now. I do want to see a little bit more confirmations to be like overly bullish to take this bitch all the way up here because once again, I don't mean to sound repetitive, but we're still sideways. And we know why we're sideways, right? Who remembers why we're sideways from a higher time frame perspective? Who can say who can tell who's been paying attention? What are we playing in between right now?
2 gaps, 1 below.
That gap.
2 gaps, one on top, one below. We're inducing both of these bitches right now. She's building up liquidity on both sides. She's got everybody buying the lows, putting their stops below the lows. What's below the lows? The gap. She got everybody, she created equal highs, got everybody selling the highs. What's on top of the highs? The gap. So this is consolidation at its finest. And one of my students on mute, they might can tell me the purpose of consolidation.
Manipulation.
Manipulation, right?
Manipulation.
What? That's after consolidation.
Liquidity.
But what's accumulate liquidity? Exactly.
Yeah.
Accumulate liquidity. The whole purpose of consolidation is to accumulate liquidity. Liquidity equals what?
Stop losses.
Okay, then. Okay, then. That nigga said expansion. Oh, God.
Expansion.
No. Liquidity equals stop losses. Anybody that's goddamn new to my shit, write that down in your chat. Write down in your notebook. Liquidity equals stop losses. Any single time you hear me say the word liquidity, I'm in front of niggas getting stopped the fuck out. You know what I mean? Have you ever, all of my new niggas first time being on my call. Don't be liquidity. All my new niggas is first time being on my goddamn call. Drop a 2 in the chat. If you ever pop the trade, that bitch hit your stop loss and immediately went your TPs after.
That just happened to me today. Oh, mama.
That shit happened to the signal I just called earlier. That shit happens to the best of us. You know what I mean? All we can do is learn how to avoid that shit. And this is what smart money teaches. You see what I'm saying? Smart money teaches you that liquidity is a motherfucker. You know what I mean? And
that be using that bit too. They used to be grabbing that fucking liquidity too.
Don't gotta do it. Every pair does it. Everything does it.
Gold
universal.
Liquidity is crazy. It seemed like it do a liquidity sweep before it really take off in the actual direction it want to go.
Exactly. See, there you go. Now you
you
start to
just learn
understand
from
something.
your own mistakes.
Yeah, you feel me? Now you starting to understand something. I went through that shit so much, I ain't had no choice but to question it. Like, God damn, bitch, this shit a thing, nigga. Like, then you got them study smart money and figure out it's a thing. That's why you see shit like this happening. That's why you see lows get rare and then expansions afterwards. That's why you see lows get ran and then expansions afterwards. Lows get ran, expansions afterwards. What's happening right now as we speak? Lows got ran today. We're expanding bullish as we speak.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. You definitely pointed out a zone that I like because I took the same entries like 4 or 5 times. That 15 between 15 and 20,
Like it going back and forth from that.
Mm-hmm.
I would them 5
So
points.
do that.
I was just smacking. I ain't gonna count.
I ain't gonna care like that's time. Look, if it ain't broke, fix it tight time. But hey,
Nah, but just understanding what you were saying as far
hit.
as like is ranging and shit like that.
Hey, Tracy,
I
you don't
don't do
fuck
the
with
ranging, bro.
PO3s?
I wait for shit to get wet. Pair power 3, yeah, that's consolidation, manipulation, distribution, pretty much. I mean, so yeah, I understand that like the back of my motherfucking hand.
So how you know
PO3.
when to exit? That's like that'd be my little hang up is
Liquidity.
when to exit, the exit strategy.
Liquidity. Aim for
Yeah, you
highs and
got.
lows. Aim for highs and lows
Man, you
and
gotta
gaps,
take a
brother.
screenshot of that bitch, go ahead and sell it.
I'm weak as hell. Yeah,
What aim
if
for
you
the
ain't profitable
days
enough, you got
highs and lows?
whatever time frame you're looking at, aim for that highs and lows. Simple. If I'm trading a 5 minute, if I'm trying to buy this bitch right now, if I aim for these 5 minute highs, call it a day. Simple.
Oh, okay.
But let me keep the shit going. All right, so boom. Once again, bullish. Am I 100% sold on bullishness? No. Do I see what the fuck I see? And am I expecting for some shit to get bullish? Yes. You see what I'm saying? I just need to see a little bit goddamn more. Now, as far as today goes and what can happen this week, because we just did our higher time from analysis. I'll just break this bitch down for today. Let me come with a quick look at the goddamn weekly. Do we got any CR themes popping off? No, we kind of got an inside bar. All right, that's cool. You know what I mean? Daily, we do got a bullish CRT popping off today, so I am expecting some bullishness to happen, and we can really see the play right the fuck here. Y'all see what happened today on gold, you see what I'm saying? Where the bitch sold the fuck off OD here to go take out this previous low, and tell me why else she stopped right here. Where my students at?
FVG.
Wow. FVG work. Okay, then.
That she induced last week.
Okay, then. That she induced last week. Good shit, brother. So I told you guys whenever price
50% of that gap.
I told you whenever price stops short of 50% of a gap, that's some bullshit, ain't it? I told you that, didn't it? And look what she came right back to go get. That's every fucking time. You see what I'm saying?
That's when we emptied the clip on her ass overload.
I'm really mad I missed this low, bro. I'm very mad I missed this low because I just knew that shit was gonna fucking happen. Oh
I
God.
had them orders in on that
As you
motherfucker.
should.
I got the same level right there on my shit right now. That's great.
That's good shit, brother. Good shit. You know what I mean?
Mommies, I popped them down there.
I'm mad I didn't, bro. I swear to God, boy. If I would, man, I'd be holding the bitches right now to this day if I would have popped that bitch down there. Bitch, I'm mad. But
If you
anywho,
pop that bitch down there, you be up like 20, 30 racks right now.
you know I'd be up dog shit. You know me, nigga. I'm gonna be up dog shit. I ain't gonna play. Man. But hell yeah. So boom, check the play. So once again, she induced this motherfucker twice. Once, twice. Then finally came back and got it today. Growl. You see what I'm saying? And then we got our classic run on stops, right? Liquidity sweep to go get that key area. So I want y'all to, for anybody that's been confused on what the fuck I was saying as far as that price like is consolidating and, you know what I mean, she's stopping short of this gap all the way up here, this monthly gap, and this gap down here. So when I keep saying, okay, she's building liquidity, she want niggas to buy these lows and put their stop losses inside the gap. Do you want niggas to sell these highs or put their stop losses inside the gap? For those that may be confused on that, look at this exact same thing that I'm referring to that's going to happen from these higher time frame gaps is the same exact thing that just happened on this lower time frame gap. Do you see how price stopped short of this gap multiple times here and here? Why do you think Price is doing that? Why the fuck didn't Price just sell here and come get it? Why did she stop short of it twice? The answer is to build liquidity in the same area that Price has to go to anyway. This is making sense? You know what I mean? FBGs have to get filled by law. It's imbalances in price, so these gaps have to get filled. And prices ain't gonna make it all easy to come fill and shit. You know what I'm saying? Not a lot of people in the market don't even know what the fuck a gap is. Support. You see what I'm saying? So they just buying these motherfucking lows, not even understanding what's below it. You dig what I'm saying? For us, we understand that the word for that is what? What's the word for that?
Inducement.
Inducement. Okay, stopping short of shit because price likes to put liquidity in key areas. So the same thing that I'm telling y'all is happening right now when it comes to price being all sideways, and she's stopping short of this and this. And now there's plenty of stop losses down here and plenty of stop losses up here. Is the exact same thing that just happened on gold just now. When price stopped short of here, price stopped short of there, just to get niggas to buy it early. Everybody put their stop losses right here in that key area, and then price goes to get the key area. That is what inducement is. All right. Does that make sense? Give me threes in the chat for all my new niggas. Threes.
Three.
Bro, this is $1 million worth of
Three.
sauce chip. Man.
I ain't gonna lie, you overly put motherfuckers on game.
A lot of dip on your chip, nigga.
Facts.
Chill out.
50 cents the ebook.
Keep going, nigga.
Definitely about to dip on that chip.
Your ass need to be live a little more often, though, folks.
It's every week, nigga. Every week. You know what I mean? I've been gone. I've been in Africa and shit. But sometimes y'all gotta let a nigga enjoy a fruit state label, bro.
Been
Come
out there
on.
with them beach motherfuckers.
I'm out there with the motherfucking rhinos taking big fat shits
Oh,
on niggas.
folks.
Oh, God. All right, so bet. All right, so now the question is, what the fuck can we do with this information? Like I say, I'm loving the run-on stops, breaker structure, Gizap. I'm loving the pullback that just happened, and I also want to explain me getting my ass waxed earlier. Y'all know I like to break down my losses, so for anybody that didn't know, I just called a motherfucking sale and got my ass waxed, and I want to show y'all what the fuck I seen. I lost 2 racks on this. Is me being transparent. Niggas act like they don't want to fucking show shit. I'm gonna show shit. Because I always like to break down what the fuck I seen, what happened, and how I can goddamn. That's what a true trader does, bro, when it comes to taking losses, bro. Understanding why the fuck you lost that trade so you can spin back and get your pay back and not make that same mistake again. You always do that shit. As a matter of fact, give me a 2 in the chat if you got a journal and you writing that shit on every single trade you pop. You write down shit. I'm curious. And don't lie to me neither. On God, don't lie to me.
Nah, I got Genesis gang.
Genesis is fine. Listen, Genesis is cool, but Genesis is great. You know what I mean? Genesis is best broker ever, nigga, on God.
Definitely need to do it more.
Writing shit down. Yeah, but that's why they taught you in school, write it down in your notes, nigga. Because you reciprocate information better when you write shit down. You know what I'm saying? I'm not taking nothing away from Genesis, nigga. I'm just telling y'all to get a notebook too. And if anything, it's a lot easier for you to just copy the shit from your Genesis to your goddamn notebook. Nigga, just write it down, I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? But that journal helps a lot. So what you're seeing me do right now is I already journaled it, but you know what I mean? I'm kind of going to do the same process I did earlier today live. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see why the fuck I got my shit waxed, what the fuck I was looking for. And then once again, goddamn, how we can play this shit moving forward. All right? Anyway, also remember how I just asked you guys, goddamn, well, nigga, drop a 1 in the chat if your ass ever got stopped down on the trade and went slapped to your TPs. That shit just happened to me. Shit happens. You know what I mean? Just because I'm a good trader doesn't mean I don't get hit with shit. You feel what I'm saying? Shit motherfucking happens. The difference between me and I ain't gonna say every single one of you guys, but you know what I mean? This is why I'm making my pay now and all that good shit. Because once again, A, I know how to limit my motherfucking losses and maximize my wins. And B, I'm gonna go immediately back and figure out why the fuck I lost. Immediately. And I ain't gonna overtrade to get my shit back neither, nigga. I get it back tomorrow or whenever Price gives me my next setup. Some of my students be in the chat now like, damn, boy, you starting to call less and less signals. Yeah, I know, because less equals more. Less equals motherfucking more. You feel what I'm saying? I'm trying to tell y'all niggas, bro. Like, I'm gonna get to that in a second. You feel what I'm saying? Let's get to the motherfucking goddamn shit boing. All right. So once again, I had called a sale. And it was right here. You know what I mean? It was right here inside of the new day opening gap. And this is what ended up happening, nigga. A nigga was in profit about goddamn 2 seconds, nigga. Then she flashed up and went to my TPs. You know what I mean? Shit happens. But let me explain to you guys what the fuck I seen. And what ended up happening, and then how we can goddamn spin back and eventually get this goddamn trade back. You know what I'm saying? So I seen a sale right here. I thought I seen a sale ugly. You know what I mean? Right here inside this goddamn new day opening gap. So you can see how price closed here at 5 o'clock and then opened down here at 6. And I was kind of looking to see if this is going to happen because let me give you guys a full kind of analysis. You know what I mean? As to why I thought gold was going to top off right here and what ended up happening. You know what I mean? So if I come down to a lower time frame, do you guys see this BPR that's right here on the 5-minute? All right, and how price kind of been stopping short of shit all last week. So I'm identified this key area right here. BPR equals, once again, 2 fair value gaps stacked in the exact same area. So I have a bullish gap and a bearish gap that was stacked right here, right? And price had filled that in prior to 5 o'clock. And then the market closed. And this is why I was looking to see if that bitch was going to gap down a little bit. You see what I'm saying? If she was going to gap down, then I was going to be more comfortable with selling her to come and get this gap right here. That was my exact TP on the shit. You see what I'm saying? So I was looking for a little lower time frame break. And the new day opening gap when she opened up from 5 to 6 was what I expected to be the gap that I was looking for. You see what I'm saying? She actually made a BPR with it and everything. So I was looking for price to pull back inside of here, and I was gonna look for the sale. And she actually pulled off one of my little setups that I like on the 1 minute, but obviously she didn't go. You feel what I'm saying? When she came up this bitch and she ran liquidity right here on this high, and then she broke structure bearish right here on the 1 minute. Well, what I thought was a break of structure bearish here. And I called a sell right here inside this fair value gap for you guys. And I put a stop loss on top of that high. And once again, immediately played motherfucking games, consolidated, and then blast the fuck off. Why that happened? She wanted the fucking liquidity sweep prior to that goddamn play. You see what I'm saying? And plus, understanding where this bitch goddamn bottomed out at. This 5 minute gap right here ended up holding her motherfucking weight. And although I didn't think that was going to happen, I thought she would break down and do this before buying. You see what I'm saying? You see what's happening now as far as goddamn price getting down here. You see what just happened, how she just sold down this bitch and now she's bouncing up. I thought that this sale would happen first. I didn't think she was going to flash up first and then goddamn come down. I thought that was going to happen first. So that's what I ended up seeing. That's what ended up happening. You see what I'm saying? This 5 minute gap ended up holding her weight. She expanded up to go get a lot of liquidity. And then she fucking went down to my TP. You know what I'm saying? So that's what ended up happening. I was just a little bit too early on that goddamn trade. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying?
You didn't wait for the confirmation? That's what it was, really?
I did wait for my confirmation. I waited for a confirmation, but you know what I mean? It's just that this ended up holding a lot more weight than I thought it was going to do. I waited for this one. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I waited for. Once again, my confirmation is always a run on stops, a break of structure, and a fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? So I waited for price right here. This is my key area right here. And I was waiting for the 1 minute to do exactly that. You know what I mean? And once again, she came up here and created this high, bounced down, and then liquidity swept, right? See how she came all the way on top of this high, couldn't close on top of it. And they immediately dumped off in the opposite direction. So I seen that, was like, oh shit, let's go for it. And then she just fucking played. We got hit with some sideways shit. You know what I mean? She stayed sideways the whole fucking time. And they ended up got them going to expand up. You see what I'm saying? So that's what ended up happening. I mean, shit happens. All right. But once again, I like to break down my losses with you guys. So not only you can see what the fuck I was got them going through, but not only so you can see what I was looking at, but so you can potentially learn from my mistake. You see what I'm saying? So now that that's over with, what the fuck can we do to potentially get that shit back in blood? Because you know I gotta have that back. You know I gotta have that back. You know what I mean? She ended up flashing down to get my goddamn key area, bro. Now, in a picture perfect scenario, as I explained earlier, bro, I wanted this bitch to sell off first before she got then went up to go get these highs. That's what I wanted to fucking happen. And obviously that didn't fucking happen. Now, what I was waiting for to confirm to see if this bitch still want to keep expanding up. If I go back to the higher time frame real quick, goes to 5. All right. There's a big ass 5 minute inversion right here. All right. I just wanted to see if price can close on top of that. What she ended up she ended up doing shit. I ain't peeped this shit because I've been talking to y'all for the whole first goddamn 45 minutes of the call. But I just peeped how she ended up closing on top of this inversion. I like that. So you can see kind of break, and then you see the retest. See how many times she came back to retest 50%. Boom, boom, can't break it. You see what I'm saying? And now she's trying to expand up. Do I want to take a buy? Do I want to take a buy from here? I think I want a little bit of a deeper pullback. I may go for a little scout buy here. You see what I'm saying? To see if we can got them take these bitch up to these highs real quick. You know what I mean? I just want to make sure this bitch act like she don't want to come down and smack this little inversion right here real quick. Either way it go, I'm seeing the buys. You see what I'm saying? I just want to make sure that right there don't happen. If price ever ends up pulling back down here, which is the deeper pullback, and once again, more or less what we want to see, because the deeper the pullback, the better. If she ever ends up coming down here, we're buying the fuck out of that. No questions asked. SL below these lows, take it up. That's what we're gonna be looking for. You see what I'm saying? But as of right now, she looked like she want to give a little baby expansion up to these goddamn highs, bro. So I think I may want to go for a little baby buy. If we can get one more goddamn little bitch ass pullback right. You know what I mean? I should have called that bitch right down that motherfucking wick. But I think I want to go for a buy if we can get one more little pullback, bro, and put our stop below the swing low right here and take the bitch up to those highs. You know what I'm saying? Little in and out motherfucker. You know what I mean? If she can pull, see how she's trying to leave a young nigga. That's that picture perfect. Run on stops and break a structure to the upside. That's perfect. She trying to take off without my ass stuff. You see how we brought that down there?
Hey, ain't that a gap right there too, Tracy? Like to the left?
You said what, gang?
Ain't that a gap right there to the left too?
What, this little woman? Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, I'm seeing that. She kind of induced that little motherfucker too. But the higher time frame, bitch, is why she's going, bro. That 5 minute gap. That's why she going. You see how we just broke that bitch down when that bitch expanded? Yeah, I mean, now I know he don't want it no more. I know he don't.
She rejecting now.
Yeah, because she just got the high. That's liquidity. She just grabbed it out.
Smack.
You know what I'm saying? So
Damn, it wicked me
that's
out.
a TP. That's a TP1 smack. Exactly. You know what I'm saying? It's a TP1 smack. Now
that's exactly what I was going for.
Oh, who said that? Somebody in the trade or some shit?
Yeah, yeah.
What you in the buy? She finna get up out of there too.
Damn.
I was in a buy. I was in a buy, but I put my stop loss right below where it wicked at the bottom and then pushed up. It was like probably like 2 points.
Now it look like it's about to buy too.
I ain't gonna lie. I've been in buys since it hit 48.
If you in buys, hold that shit. I'm just trying to catch a pullback. You know, I just
that's what I'm saying. Like, say it breaking this structure right now, right? It's gonna pull back, right? And that's when you get in. That's when you take your entry.
Yeah. You gotta find the gap to take it out. That bitch gone, boy. God damn, say I ain't call that bitch
out.
Damn.
That was the pullback, gang.
That was the pullback.
Yeah,
Damn.
Was the pullback.
Damn, boy. That's some dog shit. Right?
Nah, bro, you sniped that bitch though on P.
Come on, bro. Tell me I didn't say that shit was gonna get up out
You
of there.
said
boy.
that shit.
So
this is liquidity.
so that's what I'm saying.
No indicators needed, neither, family. No indicators needed, bro. It's simply liquidity sweeps, bro. And once again,
how could you have spotted that pullback though?
You can't, bro. Like you can't.
God, that bitch out of
You
there.
can't. Look, he just broke the whole shit down and didn't spot it, bro.
Yo, that's what you gotta check out Nas real quick.
Shorty up, ain't it?
That bitch out of there, gang. Come on, bro.
When you know, you know.
TP is
that's how you break that bitch down right there.
40-90.
I'm really mad. That damn, bro. I was literally saying on this wick right here, but I wanted to buy that bitch, bro. And I on that wick right there. I'm just saying. But as I was saying it, the bitch started going higher and higher. I'm like, all right, bitch, come on, just give me one more little flash down, boy. She just left. God damn, nigga.
Yeah, that was the flash down. That was
the flash down, bro. But and look, listen. I need y'all to understand, bro, that once again, even though, first of all, is anybody in the buy? Besides, I'm not talking about at the bottom. I'm talking about like anybody just so happens.
Yeah,
I'm in there.
Did anybody just so happen to pop it over here? Even though I said I wanted to pull.
I'm in that bitch right now. That shit is.
Yeah, Tracy, I popped that bitch on liquidity. I ain't gonna lie, right on the sweep.
Good shit.
Tracy, you gotta check out Nas. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, I'm mad.
Get there in a second.
She had her stop loss too small, bro.
That's good work for everybody.
Hey, Swag just popped that quick sale.
Good work for everybody that popped that bitch. Hey, look, goddamn, do y'all understand? Like, do y'all understand that top down? Because I just gave y'all a whole top down from the monthly down to the 1 minute, and we just you can, nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm gonna act like I called that. I just ain't popping.
Nah, you called that bitch. You called that bitch.
That's how I called that motherfucker. I just ain't popping, nigga. Oh God, don't tell me I ain't called that bitch. Oh God. So with that being said, did that shit make sense? Like, do y'all understand that whole top down? Do y'all understand why I only go off of liquidity and gaps? You know what I'm saying? Can we get ones in the chat? That shit made sense.
Yeah, but where you think it's going? That's where it's going. And she was
at TP smash, nigga. Where did she take it to? Nigga asked me earlier.
This might be another pullback, Trey.
It may. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I do want to. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I think she's gonna keep expanding up.
I'm waiting for that 90.
Just break out a little consolidation, though.
No, I'm not buying right now. Chill. Everybody just
when you miss your entry like that, or you just wait for it to get to another target?
Don't take that shit.
Just relax. Everybody just relax. This could be a good, decent pullback because goddamn, she stopped short of this 50.
We need
you know what that means, Trey.
Yeah, you know what that means. She got to come back and get. She
got to come back and get that motherfucker.
She has to come back and get that. She has to come back.
As soon as I get out.
I
took that short on 64.
That's small. That's a small. So
hey, I'm glad I ain't the only one that just took that.
As long as it's a gap, that's a fair value gap. No matter how big it
Trey,
is.
do you really go up 0 levels?
QP. That's quarter theory, not really. Oh yeah, I mean yeah.
Okay.
I ain't gonna say no. I understand quarter theory and I incorporate it sometimes, but I go a lot more off of market structure. That's what I care about. I care about market structure. You know what I mean? If market structure aligns up with a quarter level, so be it. You know what I mean? But I care about the highs.
Oh, that motherfucker pulling back.
That's why I said I didn't want to buy it. I say just wait. Y'all gotta learn how to listen. You know what I mean? That's why, because you gotta understand key levels, gang. You know what I'm saying? If I'm trading from a 1 minute perspective, nigga asked me earlier, he say goddamn, He said, "God, what that nigga say?" He said, "God, what are you always aiming for?" And I say, and my answer was the 1 minute the levels that I'm paying attention on that time frame. You know what I'm saying? So we just walked this bitch down from a 1 minute perspective. What was the TP1 we talked about? The swing high right there. What and if I only go off of liquidity and gaps, what's the next best thing on top of these goddamn highs? This fair value gap right here. Now if she would have broke, that's TP2. Now if she would have broke this, where she would have went to next?
A new high.
The new high. And so on and so forth. Liquidity and gaps is how we play it. You know what I mean? So yeah. Now, as far as what I want to do with it now, once again, that was the trade that I wanted to catch, bro. You feel what I'm saying? Like that was it. You know what I'm saying? Not to say this bitch ain't finna got to keep on expanding, but nigga, that's what I want. That's what I was trying to catch. On, buddy. You know, that's what I was trying to catch. That was a trade I was wanted to catch. Where I wanted to take it up to those highs in that gap right there. Good mental win. I hope everybody understood. And once again, I do think it's going to continue to expand, but I just want to wait to make sure this pullback is valid before I do so. You know what I'm saying? So y'all see me call what I need to call if I see what I need to see. Besides that, nigga, I ain't gonna cap. That was a trade I wanted to get. That was a trade I was looking for. You know what I'm saying? So if you popped it, shout out to you. If not, my bad. Oh God. I mean, and what I'm looking for moving forward. You know what I'm saying? Real fast before I slide to NASDAQ. Once again, I am paying attention to see it. I am paying attention to see if this pullback right here holds its weight, because once again, she stopped short of this. You know what I mean? So she should keep that shit expanding to the upside to go eventually get right back up here inside this gap. Now, my question is, are you going to break the shit? You know what I'm saying? Which, once again, if she breaks that, no questions asked, she goes and run all these highs over here to the left.
Yeah, she finna grab 50.
Yeah, she finna go up here. You know what I'm saying? If she breaks that motherfucking gap, she's coming up here to run all these highs right here. You know what I'm saying? You aim here first, and then you aim for those highs second, so on and so forth. See all these highs? That's what we're gonna start aiming for. You dig what I'm saying? Remember how I told you guys at the middle, at the beginning of the markup, that I'm a little bit more bullish when it comes to got them higher time frame. You know what I'm saying? So if this bitch keeps on got them going and what we got them looking at, then we're gonna got them keep on tearing their ass the fuck up to the upside. You know what I mean? But my next confirmation I'm looking for me to get in some is for her to break this. That was a trade I wanted to catch, missed the entry, so on and so forth. How do I know she's gonna keep on expanding up and then she breaks this gap? Now catch a pullback and goddamn whatever. All right. Do y'all understand what I'm looking for with gold? All right. Do y'all understand what I'm saying? Oh, real fast. My apologies. I want to point out this before I slide to goddamn Nas. This invert, remember how I pointed this out at the beginning? This can still be potential. This is also why I'm so goddamn curious to see what this pullback does, if this bitch right here holds its weight or not. You know what I'm saying? Because we have been stopping short of this. You know what I mean? So remember, if this bitch ever comes down and just smash this right here, we just gonna go for it right then and there. You know what I mean? SL below the low to see if she want to rock. You see what I'm saying? But this is another reason why I'm being patient on this pullback right here. You don't want that to turn into a liquidity sweep up to then come back down here. You dig what I'm saying? So I'm just being patient. And it's either from here, it's either two scenarios. Now I'm gonna slide to the next chart. A, break the motherfucking goddamn shit up here, catch pullback, we take up to those highs. Okay. B, she just swept this high and she just got a gap. She breaks down, gets that, and then we start looking for more buys back up. It's 2K scenarios right now. You know what I'm saying? We just gotta be patient. All right, be patient and wait for the goddamn play. Now, do y'all understand what I'm telling you guys? Give me ones, please.
They said one.
Ones. That's an amazing markup, man. And we just smack shit live and direct. Shout out to anybody that it was like either A, already in the buy, or B, pop that bitch even when I didn't pop it. Shout out to y'all.
Uno.
For sure. Bet. All right, let's keep this markup going, man. I already took damn near fucking 30 minutes marking that shit up. Yeah, I mean, let's keep this shit going, man. I'm gonna get to running through these bitches.
Excellent
NASDAQ.
information, by the way. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate the goddamn love, man. Let's keep this shit pushing. NASDAQ. All right, same thing. Higher time frame, monthly. All right, I start off at the monthly. First thing that I peep. What's the first? Where my students at? First thing you peep. Come on. Come on.
Monthly CRT. No.
Monthly CRT.
Oh, yeah.
Come on now.
CRT.
Come on now. That man.
CRT.
Once again, if you don't know what CRT is, I'm not going to explain that for free. That's my VIP sauce. You can either A, come join the goddamn mentorship, or B, go Google the shit. I mean, that's on y'all. All right, but I'll break it down lower time frame. That's what I like to see right there, though. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like to see. Now, We do have a fair value gap that's all the way the fuck down there. We're not going to ignore that. We're not. You know what I'm saying? We're not going to ignore that shit. You know what I'm saying? However, we see how the monthlies got them looking. So let's keep on got them zooming in to see if it makes sense for this bitch to keep buying without grabbing that. You know what I'm saying? Or not. My boyfriend created CRT. Man, girl, shut the fuck up. With all due respect, shut the fuck up. Oh, that goddamn line.
Sorry, Tracy.
Shut the fuck. Oh, that goddamn line, girl. I don't give a fuck if you a girl or a boy. Girl, shut the fuck up. All that damn line here. I mean, if your boyfriend created CRT, you would not be on this damn car. No, stop all that damn line in this goddamn bitch. No, God. Stop all that goddamn playing in here, girl. Oh, God. Anywho, all right. Weekly, all right. So we come down to the weekly. All right. I'm gonna delete this right here. Who created it then? His name is Romeo GPT. Google or YouTube. That's the creator of CRT. Definitely not your boyfriend. That nigga lie. That nigga both face lie. He told you he created that shit. Yo, hey, that nigga, he was trying to get the draws or something. That nigga was trying to get draws. I created CRT. No, God, girl.
You funny as fuck, Tracy.
She was trying. That nigga was trying to fuck. Boy, that shit must have worked too. Oh God, boy,
oh God.
boyfriend. She stamping that shit too. My boyfriend cried. Oh, nah,
this nigga hella stupid.
Y'all leave it alone. Y'all leave it alone. I'm off that. All right, I'm off that. All right, bet.
We love you,
we come back to the. I gotta fuck with him, man. All right, bet. So now weekly time frame. All right, we peeped the goddamn monthly CIT. You dig what I'm saying? Now we come down to the weekly. Now I'm trying to goddamn make a little bit. I'm trying to give me a second. I'm just making sure I'm seeing what the fuck I'm seeing correctly. All right, boom. So if I look at this weekly, once again, remember how this monthly gap is holding this goddamn weight, right? We see how this can't see how the wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. We couldn't even close at 50% of this bitch. Come down to a weekly time frame, nigga. See this little weekly gap right here? All right, see how goddamn prices got them respecting what she need to respect now. We see that wick goes a little bit lower, and I'm somebody that once again likes to understand why every single low and high is formed. So we're gonna keep zooming in to see exactly why price stopped right there. We'll get to that in a second. You know what I mean? For now, for this weekly time frame, we can keep on breaking shit down. Everybody see this big ass weekly fair value gap is right here. So once again, monthly, weekly, we can see a lot of goddamn. You know what I'm saying? We can see a lot of FVGs being filled. We can also see some shit being stopped short of. You feel what I'm saying? We got this weekly gap right here. All right. So we're gonna worry about that later on. But once again, we see look, damn, my apologies. Let me delete shit so we all pay attention to what we need to pay attention to right now. Everybody see this weekly fair value gap right here. Okay. See how we double tap, like we W within this bitch, but could not close below it. Stop short of that 50%. As I always say, price stop short of 50% of a gap. That is bullshit. She will always come back to get it. Hence why you see price stop short of that, come all the way back up and act like she wanted to go get new all-time highs and said, no, let me come back and get what I was supposed to get. You know what I'm saying? Now she reacted off of 50, wicks come all the way down here, and now we're expanding back up. We want to keep zooming in, see exactly why price stopped right the fuck here. All right. I see a little daily gap that's right here. I see a daily gap. Right? Price is very precise in everything that she does. Now she goes a little bit lower than that. I bet we're gonna go down to the lower time frame and figure out why exactly price stopped right there. Give me a second. We're gonna find the answer to that. All right. But just come here with it for now. All right. Can everybody see price? Liquidity sweep. All right. Run lows. Okay. Then now she's buying up something disgusting. All right. This is how the algorithm runs. She likes to sweep niggas out and then turn the fuck around and go crazy in the opposite direction. That's exactly what the fuck price is doing right now. All right, so she just ran last month's low, and now she's expanding to the upside, something nasty. See the equal lows that she created with this swing low here and these lows to the left. All right, she accumulated a lot of liquidity to the downside, and it took a long time to do it. Then she eventually flashed all the way down and came back up. All right, so my first thing that I'm paying attention to here is this little bearish gap is right here. This bearish fair value gap right here. Why is this important? Because we're on top of it. All right. And the price closes on top of bearish shit. That means bullish continuations. Do y'all understand? So if there is bearish gaps inside of the market and prices close on top of those bearish gaps, that is a sign that price wants to continue going up. Because if price was bearish, she would have sold off this gap the same way the price was bearish right here at this gap, and she sold off of it. You know what I'm saying? So the fact that price is acting like she want to close on top of it is very important. All right, that means bullish continuation to the upside. All right. Another thing that sticks out to me is the new week opening gap that we got down here. That's, you know what I'm saying? The gap in between all these candlesticks, that is humongous. Yeah, I mean, I need to zoom down to a lower time frame to see if price already filled that in or not. But that is definitely a key area that needs to be paid attention to. All right, so I'm going to delete this monthly gap just so we can remember where we at. All right. And let me zoom down to a lower time frame to see if price already got this or not. All right. And if she did, then we're going to start looking for buys off the retest of here. Take it up. What's one thing? Where my students at? What's one thing? If today's candle closes similar to how it is now, what are we going to have? Where my students at?
A BPR.
A BPR. We're going to have a BPR right the fuck here. And if that's going to be the key area, we're going to buy ass right the fuck here. Point blank period. You see what I'm saying? So I just want to see how this daily candle closes, keep it gangster. And we're going to be ready to buy that bitch for the rest of the week. You know what I mean? Come down to a 4 hour. Yep, there go price filling in that new week opening gap, right? There go the new week opening gap right there. See how price closed down here Friday, open up here Sunday. See how price, goddamn came down and filled that bitch in, expanded to the upside. Why? Everything's looking amazing for buys. I think that this, and look at how the 4 hour, remember that this right here was a daily gap that we identified. Daily bearish gap. What do you see on a 4 hour? That aligns up?
A break.
Huh?
You broke above the gap. You broke above the gap.
It's breaking above the gap. Hell yeah, that's what's up. We want to see the daily candle close on top of the daily gap. So we'll work. That's confirmation for that daily shit that we just looked at. We want to see a daily candle close on top of the daily gap. 4 hour looks amazing. But what is already formed on a 4 hour that's going to align up with the daily shit? There we go. Does everybody see this gap right here? That just so happens to align up with the daily gap that I wanted to see close on top of. Price is already hindsighting to me. We finna get wicked on this next pullback. Shit me. And then the last thing that I peep on this shit is what's significant about this low right here? What's significant about the last 4 hour low? What's significant about that?
Hasn't mitigated the bear.
Stop below your imbalance.
She stopped short of that motherfucking gap 50. Right there.
Yeah.
She stopped short of 50. What's the word for that again? Okay, so what do we know is going to happen?
It's going to
get it. Come back and get it.
Okay, then. Listen to how everybody
for my first day. I'm catching on.
That's great. That's great. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. So that being said, I think I got my analysis now. You know what I mean? I want to see this 4 hour gap right here get filled. I want to see the whole goddamn shit get filled in. Let me make sure I got my levels on the money. Take this back to the daily. This is my daily inversion, right? Once today's daily, I think that pullback may not potentially happen until tomorrow, because I think that the algorithm may want to go ahead and set up that daily fair value got to be right here, and that's going to have to today's daily candle will have to close in order for that to be there. So the pullback may or may not happen until tomorrow, or what's up? Wednesday. What's up?
I think I might need some help marking up my fair value gaps for real.
I'll get to that in a second. Hold on.
I ain't gonna lie, it's a fair value gap indicator that similar to Tracy. That's crazy.
Oh no, trading view.
But nah. Yeah,
I got it, but exactly. Yeah. I don't really like you.
Not the same.
Yeah, but nah. Yeah, I mean the best eye is always gonna be your own eye. Is always. You know what I'm saying?
No, I'm saying, bro. I'm saying use it as a base and then go off your own eye. You feel me?
Just start from there.
Whatever floats niggas' boats. I mean, just know that I ain't get this off no indicator. What y'all see me do, I ain't get this from no indicator. Yeah, I mean, it's all off the muscle. And I'm pretty sure that you can do the same thing. You don't need no motherfucking indicator to show you these gaps. I'm trying to tell y'all. You know what I'm saying? But I
was just saying, as a starter, as a beginner for them niggas, like start there. You know what I mean?
Start there. Y'all heard it, man. Mm-hmm.
So you looking for it to close at a bearish?
I want her to do kind of like this as follows. I want her to kind of expand a little bit more to the upside first and then pull back down. You know what I'm saying? To come and like run this low, get this 50, get a little bit deeper inside this gap, and then we buy. That's kind of what I want to see. You know what I'm saying?
One quick question, bro.
What's up?
So, do you care about the cryptos on the weekends for the pairs you be trading? Like how they look type shit to go into the next week?
No. I don't correlate cryptos with anything that I've heard. Cryptos got all their own entity. And I don't trade cryptos on top. Well, I really stopped trading cryptos. I can, but yeah, I mean, I feel like if you're trying to trade every single day of the fucking week, Monday through fucking Monday, nigga, you're over trading. You know what I'm saying? That's the reason why a lot of y'all niggas like cryptos, because y'all can trade on the weekend. But nigga, I done made my money by Thursday. I don't need trade on the weekend. You know what I'm saying? So goddamn, like, I start trying to stay away from the market on the weekends. That just gives me another reason to try to gamble. Well, not gamble, but you know what I mean?
No, I was just saying price action. I was just saying price action game.
Nah, I don't look at cryptos at all. I don't correlate that with nothing that I got going on. Once again, if we're talking about correlating cryptocurrencies with any goddamn pair or indice or goddamn commodity, these motherfuckers cryptocurrencies have a mind of their own. They do not correlate. You know what I'm saying? And maybe if they do, you show me something I don't know. But nah. But bet, all right, y'all understand my Nas markup. All right, next pullback inside this 4-hour gap. I think I want a piece of that expansion to the upside. What's the TP? These clean ass highs right there. Want that. Want that. All right. Ones in the chat. Makes sense.
I got a quick question, bro.
What's up?
I'm on TradingView looking at Nas, and my last candle is red and it's going down currently. Yours green and going up.
Because you back 5 minutes.
Y'all on different
15
time
minutes or
frames.
something.
No, I see what you're looking at.
Yeah,
No, I see what you're looking at. I see what you're looking at. I don't know what to say about that shit. Yeah, look, it says the same thing on my shit. If I look at this chart, it's here, and if I look at this chart, it's there at the same time frame. I don't know what to say about that. But if your chart looks similar to this, same ballpark, still mark up that 4-hour gap below price and still wait for that to get filled. This. You know what I mean? So if your chart looks like anything like this, I see the bearish candle you're talking about. Goddamn, but still look at that 4-hour gap that's right below price and wait for price to get that. That's what we're looking for the trade.
Yeah.
It is weird though. I don't be knowing why goddamn
Is
why
it,
the brokers
bro? Is it the fact that different? It be different brokers that you be looking at.
Yeah, so look where you say
USD.
cashcapital.com.
I'm looking at capital.com.
Right. So like it's other ones like Oanda and shit
So
like that. They be a little different.
I already know that. You dig what I'm saying? My thing be goddamn niggas be asking me all the time, like, bro, which one do I look at, bro? My answer be I don't fucking know, nigga. I've never had the problem. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, my markup is valid no matter what chart I look at. You know what I'm saying? So that'd be my answer. Like, that's what I'm referring to. Goddamn, I don't know which one is the more valid one. If anybody does know, by all means, holler at me. But shit, nigga, my markup valid on whatever the fuck I look at. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I was referring to.
Awanda's a good one though. Yeah.
Awanda for sure. For sure. Everybody say Awanda it is. Awanda it is.
I thought Awanda was the one.
Shit, there you go. There go your answer then. Go on Awanda. All right, but does everybody understand? Once again, give me ones real quick. Y'all look on up. Yeah, we cool. Y'all take a screenshot of the shit too. Make sure y'all do.
Now, does time matter to you, Tracy? If price
yes,
gets
it does.
Okay.
Yes, it does. That's a very important part of my analysis. So I can't go into that. Can't go into that for the free ball. That's the VIP sauce. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's the VIP.
You was not finna trade at 445. Don't do that.
But what the hell you talking about?
I was like, what are we talking about?
Right.
Like different times, like when the market finna close, you ain't finna trade.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, but that's basic fucking duh knowledge. You know what I'm saying? We talking about real deal time sauce, nigga, like real deal shit.
Oh, okay. My bad.
You know what I mean?
I was off, my bad.
Nigga talking, I ain't gonna trade at 445. Man, what? You don't stop mute. If you don't stop unmuting your mic, like, get on your.
What the fuck is that?
Sorry. Oh, God, all right, boy. Stay over there, boy. Oh, God. Anywho, all right. Nas go. Let's go GJ on the ass. And y'all know that's my top 3. Then I'm done. All right, they go GJ. Okay, then. I did not tell y'all this bitch was going to drop. Did I not tell y'all that she would? Come on, bro. Come on, gang. Who was on the markup last week? Who was on the markup last week when I told y'all niggas verbatim that she would fill in this gap 50% and then drop the fuck off? On the guys, bro. I can't make this shit the fuck up. If you want on the call, why do you think I already have this markup right here marked the fuck up with this gap right here already drawn up? Because
I remember that shit for sure.
This is what I had marked up last week. And I told niggas to look for price to fill in 50% of that gap and she would drop. How did I know that? Higher time frame analysis. Monthly shit is what let me know that the lower time frame would drop like this.
Break it down, brother. Break it down.
I will break it down for you, brother, man, with your bald ass head. All right, I'll get on your goddamn that nigga goddamn. Hold up, goddamn. Hold up, nigga. We got a new Freddy on this motherfucker.
Oh no!
No, my mama, run that bitch, nigga. No, run that bitch.
Why you got a hat on? Cause you're bald, nigga. Why you got a hat? That's a bald head. Ain't baldy. That's a bald head.
He going straight to hell.
Oh shit. Ball nigga, ball nigga, ball nigga, ball nigga, ball nigga. Why you ain't got no hair up there? Boy, you looking like a bowling ball.
And he said that shit look like a munchkin, folks.
Boy, you looking like a soccer ball. Boy, you looking like a golf ball. Boy, you looking like a tennis ball.
All right, now, guy. That
Boy, you looking like a golf ball.
Boy, you looking like you got them soccer ball. Oh God. All right, man.
Clean.
All right, let's get to it, man. You know, any nigga with a ball here, boy, that's like CS law. We got the
Great anthem, bro.
And one day, God forbid, one day I go bald, bro. God forbid, bro. Anywho, you know what I mean? I think I'll rock that bitch though. As long as you got a beard, I think y'all good, bro. I know it's like niggas like Freddie, the other bald head, that bitch don't got that nail piece of goddamn facial hair at all. Now you're bugging, nigga. Nigga walk around look like a bowling ball. Anywho, all right. FBG monthly. This is how I knew she was gonna drop. Okay, this is how I knew she was gonna drop.
It's a big ass value gap on the weekly time frame.
Bro, try to big ass go boom and know what I'm doing. I mean, pay attention here. Monthly, y'all see this gap right here? So if you've been on my calls for the last literally, if you've been on my calls for the last like 4 months, I've been telling you guys to play for GJ, bro. Y'all can go back and go look at my come back and come subscribe to my YouTube channel, nigga. Come subscribe to this channel right here. Come subscribe to this channel right here and go look at every single goddamn live stream I've did for the last 3 months. And you will understand exactly what I'm telling you. I've been telling y'all niggas to buy until she filled in 50% of this gap. And the second she got there, I told you guys look for sales. You know what I'm saying? And look how bullish this bitch has been for God knows how long. The bitch been buying his ass off. Why? Because this monthly gap is so motherfucking big, bro. That bitch got to get filled by law. So she's just been expanding heavily to come get the goddamn gap. But she ain't gonna keep goddamn buying without coming back, gang. She can't. It's like what goes up must come down. And it was just about that goddamn time. You feel what I'm saying? So we waited for 50% to get hit. Y'all see that wick? Come on now. Weekly. Look at how she induced shit. Y'all love that induce. I'm telling y'all that inducement shit is a motherfucker when price stops short of shit. Look how many times she act like she really wanted to sell. Here, pull back. Here, pull back. And then did what? Expanded on their stupid ass. Come got the liquidity. Come and got the gap. And then she look at that monthly candle. Come on, man. You can't make this shit the fuck up. I mean, weekly candle. I'm sorry. Can't make that shit up. Daily. You feel what I'm saying? Clean, bro. You feel what I'm saying? I can't even break the shit down no better than what I've been breaking it down the whole time. We knew that the monthly gap would get filled. She got up to the 50%. She liquidity swept and then dropped the fuck off. This is that motherfucking easy, nigga. Run on stops, break a structured gap. And this is why I had this gap right here marked up. Because once again, it was a run on stops to the upside where all price liquidating all these goddamn highs. Boom. And then she even before she dropped, she did it again right here. You see these highs right here? See how she pierced that before dropping? These highs and even that high right there pierced all that shit. And then fucking look at the 1 hour candle. Jesus fucking Christ. That's what happens when you trade with a higher time frame. You get trades like that. You know what I'm saying? You don't get those type of candles from looking at 1 minute market structure, nigga. Higher time frame rules all. And this is why I always start at the monthly. You know what I'm saying? So I can understand the levels and what this bitch is aiming for. You dig what I'm saying? I'm mad I missed that motherfucking sale, nigga. And the only reason why I missed it is because the bitch consolidated for God knows how long before actually dropping. And I missed the initial drop. But that's what ended up happening. You see what I'm saying? So I told you guys last week, wait for the pullback inside the gap. She pulled back inside that gap, got that 50% on the money. Look how sniped that bitch is. So tell me that what I'm teaching y'all ain't valid when it comes to gaps and liquidity. That's the only two things you need to be paying attention to at all times. Fuck everything the fuck else. Gaps, liquidity. All right? Gap fill and then expansion to the downside, just like how we expected. All right. That's why I got this fucking arrow right here. Because we was looking, even though that bitch crooked, we was looking for these lows right here to get ran. All these lows for real to get ran. And they got fucking pierced. You know what I'm saying? Now, what do I think is going to keep happening? I think this bitch going to keep dropping. You know what I'm saying? If we come look at the monthly, we got a monthly bearish CRT popping off, and we're within the third candle of it. So we should continue having the goddamn continuation to that downside. I also love how does this last week's candle close? Obviously crazy bearish. And we got them. Did we stop short of this low right here? No, we pierced that bitch. But I think she potentially has a long way to go to come down and get all the shit that she left on the table, bro. You know what I'm saying? She grabbed all these lows right here, that smooth, the trend line liquidity that we said was going to get smashed. All that shit got smashed. Picture perfect. You know what I mean? But I think we got a little bit more ways to go. All right, so I'll start looking for more bearish continuations to get down to like these lows right here. All the little, pretty much like the relatively equals that she's been leaving on the way down. And any untouched gaps that she got down, just so happen to leave. I'm going to be looking to goddamn grab those on the continuation. The question is where everybody see this new week opening gap that we got right here, value balance between these two candlesticks. I'll be paying attention to price right here, considering the fact that it's a BPR, right? You see how this goddamn value balance aligns up with this bullish gap that's right here to the left where my mouse is at? It's not for no reason. That's a key area. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be looking for price to pull back right up in here for continuation to the downside. All right? Come to the 4 hour. Yeah, it looks just about right. That look at them gap right there. I want to see her pull back in there, and I'll look for potential continuations 1 hour. The 1 hour kind of got down. I still like what I see, but the 1 hour kind of got them gives me a little bit of eh. The reason behind that is because you see this big fat ass gap right here on the 1 hour. And you see how that bitch stopped short of that 50. If y'all don't know by now, price goes to get 50. You see what I'm saying? So I'm very curious to see how this goddamn key area plays a role in price. This is my analysis moving forward. I'm not just going to be pressing sell or pressing buy the second she gets here. I want to see confirmations to understand which way this bitch is going to go. I know for 100% fact, price is going to get right the fuck there. No questions asked. The question is, what does she do from there that lets me know how I can play this bitch moving forward? I want to see a reaction, either bullish or bearish. If I see a liquidity sweep up here, if I see this bitch get a consolidate, whatever the case may be, flash highs and then break down, I go for a little sell. You know what I'm saying? If she gets this bitch and she plays games, maybe she does a little bitch ass flash down and then buys up, I'm going for buys. Very, very simple process here. Saying all this shit to say, I need to wait. I want to be patient here on GJ, and I want to see how this higher time frame value and balance plays a role in price. Whichever way price tells me she wants to go from here is how I'm gonna take it. If this bitch got them gives bearish signs, we continue rocking her down in the higher time frame direction she needs to go. You see what I'm saying? If she got them comes up this bitch and act like she want to keep got them pushing up, we'll take it right there, and then we'll look for more sales. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I want to see happen with price, bro. Goddamn, I'm either here with it or here with it to dumb all the shit down. She goes here down or goes here down. Okay. Now, whichever way she goddamn decides to go, we'll be able to take it in both directions. If she wants to come up here, we can be able to buy it up and then take it back down. If she reacts from here, we'll just sell it down. Okay? So dumbing all the shit the fuck down. Be patient. Wait till price gets to this key area right here. Go back to y'all 4 hours. Go back to y'all dailies. Find these gaps between these candlesticks. Find that value and balance. Mark it up and wait for price to get there. And then once price gets there, we'll determine what we need to do moving forward. All right. I'm more bearish than anything, but I want to say the only thing I'm gotten worried about is if she goes from the value and balance or she comes up here and gets this gap and then continues. So once again, whichever way she wants to goddamn go, we're going to take it and goddamn that direction. Is this making sense? Y'all understand why I'm a little bit more patient sitting on my hands waiting for the goddamn play? Twos. This shit making sense. Notice how some of the goddamn charts I was looking at, I was a lot more confident being like, hey, we're going to buy it right here. We're going to sell it right here. GJ, I'm like, let me see how she react. What does that mean to say, nigga? I ain't bulletproof, but sometimes we got to see a little bit more confirmation to understand what's going to happen. It's okay to be like, let me just chill on this chart. You know what I'm saying? Let me just chill and wait to see what's going to happen. You know what I'm saying? Patience is key. You got to be a patient motherfucker in this market. You got to wait for price to deliver the setups. Price is like baseball, family. What do I mean by that? Yeah, you know what? Nigga better go up to the goddamn, to the plate the batter don't swing at everything, do he? And that nigga goddamn walk the first base before he swing and strike out of some bullshit. You understand what I'm telling y'all? Same thing when it comes to goddamn charts, but we don't just swing at anything. You know what I'm saying? We wait for Price to present that picture perfect pitch that comes right into that square that be on the TV. You know what I'm saying? When niggas be watching baseball. You know what I mean? Then we knock that bitch out the park. That's how we play this shit. All right, that's how we play this shit.
Makes perfect sense.
Makes perfect sense, for sure. All right. So that's why I'm being a little bit more goddamn chilling on GJ. But Nas and Gold, I need a piece of that. Speaking of Nas and Gold, I'm curious to see what Gold did. So for anybody that fucked, you see now y'all understand why I didn't want to buy that bitch on that pullback. You see why? Understand why I say the trade was over with. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ass bought that pull. I know some of y'all niggas bought that pullback right there.
No, I waited. I ain't gonna lie, I waited.
Don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it. I'm chilling on her.
Because I want to get that 50.
I think she want to come now. I think this right here could be a potential soon. I'm telling y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's where I want to really look to buy and catch the continuation. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to see what's popping with that for sure. All right. That's the end of my markup. You know what I mean? I'm going to go look at Forex Factory. We're going to see what time red photos coming out. Y'all got any questions, any other charts you want me to look at? I don't mind marking up about 2-3 more. After that, we'll take questions and we're going to get the fuck about it. All right. In the meantime, between time, let me go ahead and goddamn look at Forex Factory. Let's see what type time. I already did Nas, your fraud. A lot of y'all say EU. I'll look at EU. Let's go look at Forex Factory, see what time shit comes out. Nigga,
I think
no.
it's just Friday.
I ain't look at this shit this week. There we go. God damn, bitch. God.
NFP.
Okay, then calendar. All right. We had a red folder this morning, but that obviously I don't know if Price did anything. I wasn't even up at 10 o'clock this morning. Let me. I'm curious. Did she do anything at 10 this morning? Was anybody up? Where's 10 o'clock? Now that bitch went sideways. Yeah, that bitch went sideways. The move really happened prior to 10. Then she went sideways and then expanded in the afternoon. That's what's up. All right, whatever. All right, so that red folder was ass. Tuesday, New Zealand red folders won't care about that. Nothing on Wednesday, nothing on Thursday. Unemployment rates on Friday. All right, bet. So Friday is gonna be our big dog as far as like red folders go. So scare y'all already know the routine. We don't got no goddamn red folders. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. at all week. And then Friday will be live on 8:30 to see what's popping with that goddamn red folder. 10 a.m. all week, nigga, and Friday 8:30. That's the schedule. All right. Yeah, be cautious too, y'all. Be cautious. Once again, Friday's usually not a good day to trade. Who's the profitable trader? Me? Who's the nigga that made $104,000 this month? Me or you? Oh God, like nigga. Now let me stop being cocky. Listen, Fridays usually ain't good unless there's a red folder involved. That's when it's a good day to trade. You know what I'm saying, nigga? We come to a Friday red folder, but just belt the ass. Stop playing. In and out. Fuck around and hold that bitch throughout the weekend. Quit on. I got them playing. All right, let me humble it down real quick. But yeah, let's come back to these goddamn charts. Man. I'll do y'all got them charts real quick, and then I'm gonna got them swervo. All right. Nigga say Euro USD. Okay, let's go Euro USD. I ain't got Euro USD on my watch list. That's not my fault though. I'm just logged into a different new laptop, new account on fucking TradingView.
Question, bro.
What up?
So for the red folders, you looking over the 3 markets you was looking at tonight?
Huh?
The red folders, like the markets you was looking at, like for Friday, which market are you looking at? You looking at gold?
No, gold and Nas. Same shit I usually trade. Gold and Nas. You already did Nas. I'm not going back to Nas. You're fried. If you're late, you're fried. Pays to be here on time, players and pimps. You know what I'm saying? Euro USD. All right. I like how this 1 minute market structure, this 1 hour market structure is looking. I'm not gonna lie. I actually like this market structure a lot. And I like this lower time frame market structure. How many times I have to tell you guys, run on stops, breaking structure to the upside is the way to play it at all times. I feel like this is a buy right the fuck here, right the fuck now to take this shit to this gap right here. Shit me. Shit, me. Let me look at something real quick to confirm that, because I may give y'all a little Scalpiani real quick. Let me look at some shit. That may be a little scalp. That may be a little in and out. Monthly. Okay, monthly time frame. I can see why these lows right here are forming off the flap. All right, I look to the left. I find inversion fair value gap right here. Bow. See how she breaks a gap and then she retests the gap multiple times. So when I'm telling you guys gaps run the show, I mean that, bro. Break, retest, break, retest. Can't break that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Valid. The second thing that I peep is where she ping pong too. All right. So if you zoom in on this shit, you can see how she just like low, right? You see all these lows that she created inside this gap? See how we just ran these bitches? All right. And then from there, we expanded up to what? This bearish gap right here. So the bitch go from gap to gap. You know what I'm saying? Now, let me zoom in and see if she got that 50. Because if she didn't, then I think y'all know what time it is. All right.
Hey,
I think y'all.
Tracy.
Hold on. Let me finish. Hold on, man. Hold on. No. If she didn't grab this bitch, then y'all think y'all know what time it is. And if I zoom in, she did not grab that motherfucker. So I think y'all know what time it is. All right. That right there gives me bullish vibes off the flap. Off the flap. All right. Weekly. You can look at the weekly time frame. Yeah, everything on this bitch is screaming by. I ain't gonna lie, everything. She just ran this low right here. Hey, you can see the run-on stops and the breaking structure. Something ridiculous. You can see this bearish fair value gap right here. Everybody says bearish gap. That price closed on top of. What does that mean? Bullish continuations. You know what I'm saying? So the bitch is screaming buy on every single goddamn time frame. We know that sooner or later, price is going to come back to retest this. Yeah, when it does, that's when the real buy should like pop the fuck off. You know what I'm saying? So notice that for now, we're stopping short of the shit. But she'll eventually come down to get that bitch. And when she does, nigga, that buy gonna get crazy. All right. Daily. All right, now we got to understand why price is stopping where she's stopping at. Daily time frame, all right? This right here is that monthly gap that we was paying attention to, and we peeped how price stopped short of 50%, all right? So just for the sake of that, I'm going to draw up this 50% line right here, and I want to then draw my attention to this daily fair value gap that's right here, because from a daily perspective, as you guys can see, we done got 50% of the daily, all right? But the monthly, we stopped short of 50%. You know what I mean? And I'm a believer that higher time frame rules all. I fully believe that shit. So that I see the goddamn daily then got smacked, but I still believe that since that monthly 50 ain't get smacked, we got one more bullish expansion. I do believe that. You know what I mean? Now we're gonna see about that. Now, whenever this bitch does get that gap, I think we're gonna have a deep pullback. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see this daily gap is all the way down here? So I think she'll eventually go from like here and then all the way down, then continue up like that. You'll do something like this. Expand up one more time. Bust down. Continue. Why the fuck that shit won't keep? Goddamn. One sec, my bad. Bust down. Continue. There we go. That's what I see happening in the future. But I see one more buy happening first prior to all this. I see this bitch expanding up one more time. All right. Let's come down to a lower time frame and kind of break down what's going on to see if she's ready to buy or not. 4 hour time frame. We see this bitch just fucking pull back, right? She created a high, induced that 50%, right? Stop short of it, act like she was gonna get bearish. In reality, she was just filling in gaps. All right. It continues up, go get to 50. All right. And now we're stopping here. So let's come down to a lower time frame and keep breaking shit down. Bullish gap here. My apologies, y'all. I just got down. I'm trying to break. This one right here is a little goddamn iffy. All right, this is what I see happening with this chart. All right, this is what I see happening, okay? There's a lot of shit below price that needs to get filled, bro. There's a lot of shit that needs to get filled. Even if the bullish expansion I'm referring to happens, like, even if we do this shit right here, come up here one more time, she's going to have to pull down one more time first. I think that this right here is going to have to get hit before anything majorly happens. All right, so this is what I see happening with Euro USD, all right? It's coming out to a lower time frame. Once again, that lower time frame play I was just talking about, as far as like that little scalp buy, I still believe in that. You know what I'm saying? I'm still valid on, once again, this lower time frame liquidity sweeps you just did here, this breaking structure bullish to the upside, all these equal highs that she left on top of price, as well as the higher time frame gap. What I will say is that once it's got them gap right here gets filled, this bitch may give a little bust down the on it. You know what I'm saying? She may want to drop draws to come and get that 30-minute. All right, so let me get deleting a whole bunch of shit so that everybody can be on the same page. All right. So 30-minute, this gap right here is what I'm looking at. That's going to have to get tapped. So I potentially think that this bitch goes, and you see how she's like still leaving equal lows down here. So you see this low right here and this low right here? What about all three of these lows? Ain't none of these bitches getting smacked. All don't stop short of that. She's leaving liquidity on the table. You know what I'm saying? Making everybody buy these lows, but they stop right there. You know what I mean? So I think that she goes up, fills in this gap, and then potentially gives another sell off to go down. You know what I mean? So I want to see. Once again, I want to get y'all in position for a buy on Euro USD, but it's either she needs to pull back. Like obviously, same thing as goddamn gold. That bitch don't give us an entry, then she ain't gonna goddamn go. You know what I'm saying? The only difference between this and gold is I was actually speaking on me getting that entry as she was giving the entry. This one, I literally need a pullback. Like no questions asked, need a pullback. I'm not gonna buy down here, up here, and put my stop loss all the way down here. That's ridiculous. You see what I'm saying? So I want to see a little bit of a deeper pullback down, and we'll be a little bit more comfortable with taking that bitch up to these highs. These highs are 100% gonna get smacked by the time I would, if you ask me. You see what I'm saying? It's like a guarantee. You know what I mean? The only thing that I'm waiting for is, once again, a little bit of a better pullback so I can get a better risk to reward ratio on this goddamn trade. You know what I mean? Once you, if and when you can get a buy position, no matter if I call or not, you know what I mean? If you can goddamn get your ass in, or maybe you don't get in and we just watch this bitch a little bit to the upside. Once this 1 hour fair value gap gets filled, I want everybody to sit on hands, and I want to see if this bitch goddamn either keeps expanding up, or if she used this bitch to goddamn break structure bearish like what I think she will. What I think she'll do is hit this motherfucker, break structure bearish in a lower time frame. We can catch a sell, rock her ass down like that. That's what I think could potentially happen. You see what I'm saying? And then run all the way down to come get this gap, and that's where the bullish continuations come from. You know what I mean? So once again, it's either we can catch us a buy position, or we be patient and just wait until price gets up here, and then we'll determine our analysis from there. I could be wrong on that, and price just closes on top of this shit and just keeps going up. And if that's the case, then, you know what I mean, we'll do something more similar to this. You know what I mean? If she breaks on top of the gap, we'll catch a pullback to retest the gap, and then catch a bullish continuation like that. You know what I'm saying? So there's always a yin to the yang. But, you know what I'm saying? Either way it goes, nigga, this chart is bullish as fuck. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't get that shit by now, she's bullish as fuck. The only thing we're getting from here is, does she want to pull back one more time to get the gap she left, or she's just going to expand up? And this gap right here will tell us everything we need to know. You know what I mean? So we got 2 case scenarios with Euro USD, and we want to try and catch us a little short-term buy to get in one of these scenarios, all right? But look, I'm going to delete everything. This is what we need to know. This is the analysis. Either she hits this bitch here, busts down there, and then gives it all the way up, all right? Or the bitch just closes on top of this gap right here off the flat, and then we go like that. Either way it goes, this bitch flies. Can't tell me otherwise. This shit looking too damn bullish. All right? This makes sense on what I'm looking for, why I'm looking for it, and all that good shit. All right, give me twos. Give me twos in the chat if that makes sense. Twos.
Hey, Tracy, before you get off, I got a question.
Twos. All right, bet. What, nigga?
Try US 30 real quick, bruh.
No, bro.
Come on, nigga.
Bro, no.
Who's in this bitch, man?
Come on, nigga.
Nah, nigga, where's Bomb, boy? That nigga said
asked a question, they told you to do something.
Bro, they just told me to do something, bro.
Nah, come on, bro.
He just said, "Hey, bro, go look at 30."
Question, I do this shit.
Yeah, yes, master. I go look at US 30 for you, master. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anything not to piss off, master. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Master got to working.
Oh God, yes, master. Yes, master. You know what I mean? This is my last shot. I'm looking at y'all for real. Y'all get that.
Hey, how I get in your VIP chat?
150 a month. Link in the bio. I mean, matter of fact,
Hey, Trace.
Gangster.
I had paid for
So you ain't
you
ain't got like is you like doing the shit with the university Slayer shit? Is you on part of that?
Nah, they kind of got it. They kind of did. They kind of doing that shit without me because I got my own shit going on too. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of their own little camp. Unless they hit me and be like, "Hey, join it," which I don't mind joining it, but that's kind of KJ shit because we got two different
sniper shit.
We got two different strategies. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Goddamn, that's kind of his little thing going on type shit. I be running my own thing with my strategy. We still gang together, but as far as that little shit he got going on right now, that's more or less him and Don's strategy. They teach that.
Definitely.
I mean,
Certified snipers, man.
So how I send the payment? Like you gonna send me a Cash App or Zelle? Like how that work?
No, goddamn, we got a little WAP link. You gonna goddamn just type in your little info like that. You know what I mean? You gonna add you directly to the Discord. I gotta drop all that shit in the chat for you guys. Like, give me 2 seconds to get all my links together, and I'll be more than happy to drop all these links in the chat for you guys when we get up off this call.
Hey, I had bought them July signals. I ain't even get them bitches.
Yeah.
On my mama.
He said he did what? He said he did. When he said you bought my signals, you ain't get them.
I bought the monthly signals, the GJ Slayer shit.
In the Discord?
Yeah, facts. In the Discord.
And you ain't a part of the Discord?
I'm a part of that bitch. This like my second time buying it. This time I ain't get them hoes.
Are you in the Discord or you not in the Discord?
I'm in that bitch, but I ain't getting the signals.
Oh.
I was running it with you on telly one day, but you been on vacation. So I ain't been trying to bother you about that shit.
Goddamn, so you can't see my tab right here. Like you can't see all these signals that be getting called in this bitch. You can't see this Tracy 10 a.m. motherfucker with all these signals in here.
I can't see none of that shit. I see the free community shit, but I ain't getting no signals in that bitch.
That shit locked for y'all? That's weird. All right, you give me 1 second. Can you hit me on Telegram right now so your name got to go to the top of my shit? I'm gonna get you situated. Anybody that's having that problem, okay, this is my first time hearing this shit. So goddamn, if anybody's having that problem, by all means, let's go ahead and get this shit situated tonight.
Yeah, I just hit you as well on Telegram.
All right, I get all y'all situated, what y'all need to get situated with, and I'm gonna add y'all. I'm gonna give y'all something for worth y'all time. Just for the goddamn little bullshit, because I know some of y'all saying y'all been hitting my phone for that for a little second, but I've been on vacation. I'm gonna give you something worth your time for that too.
Gang. I've been trying to get the written part of your course for like 2 months now.
You been trying to get what?
The written part of your course for like 2 months.
The written part?
Yeah, like the template part of it. I forgot what you call it.
Ebook?
Yeah,
My
the ebook. I'm trying to get the ebook for so long, gang. I didn't hit you.
You want the ebook, boy? You want a little $99? You can have that bit.
I bought the whole course. I got you.
Hey, you should have bought it. Hey, that motherfucker. Hey, that bitch said, hey, everything a la carte in this. So you got the course.
That's what I'm telling you. I bought the whole course. I've been DMing you on Telegram, Instagram, Discord, everywhere.
So you got you got the course, and you've been DMing me to get the ebook.
Yeah.
You don't need the ebook, sir.
You got the course already. You don't need the ebook.
Not listening.
I want that bitch.
The ebook starts first, then you get the course. You got the course, so you good. Just study that.
Oh, we can say, nah, he good, bro. I get some. I need that
bitch.
I get some. That's the first time I've ever heard that. Oh, okay. And they got them say he get the course, and then they see the ebook too. That course you do it. The reason why it's funny, because goddamn the ebook has everything you need, but it's missing CRT. Ebook don't got CRT in that bitch. That's first because I dropped the ebook before I got them learned what CRT was. That's first and foremost. And secondly, goddamn, people are much rather ask me for if they got the course. Niggas are coming to me and ask me for. You know that if you watching the course, you know they got them document I'm going through in that course. Niggas ask me for that. You know what I'm saying? Instead, I got it. Even that's why it kind of threw me off a little bit.
That's what the ebook was.
Nah, the ebook is different than that. Once again, the ebook does not have CRT in it. That shit that we going through in that goddamn the shit that we're going through in the course is a document specifically for that course. It's like the course document. You know what I'm saying? But the ebook once again dropped damn near a year before that course did. You see what I'm saying? So a little bit more advanced shit that I didn't know. No, that's in the course. That's not the ebook. You see what I'm saying?
Well, can I get the course layout then?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can definitely get that one. Well, you can get that now with no questions asked. Yeah, I mean, that kind of threw me on. Ain't nobody ever asked for the ebook after the course. Niggas actually come to get the course after the ebook. Well, fuck all that. I got you, man. I got you. Just DM me on got them Telegram, but I see you everything. You got them need everything.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Is the course still a band right now? Yes, it is. I flipped 20 to 200 with your signals. I'm on the course at 1K. Niggas say he flipped 20 to 200. That's tough. Up $1,200 on Nas buys. Nas booming. Did I call it? Is it something I called or I'm lying? Let's see that bitch. Yeah, that bitch busting. That's that tipping. That's that run on stocks breaking structure gap for the win, bro. You can't never make that shit up. Every single time you see price run a low and then turn smack the fuck back around, you know what time it is. It's buy time. You know what I mean? It's buy time. Can we get a discount on the course? Nah.
I thought that motherfucker was about to say yeah.
I just got back from Africa. I need all that back.
Nigga thought I was thinking about it. Nah, bro. This is how you goddamn do it, bro. I can't keep giving out discounts in that goddamn course. Bro, I can't give out discounts in that course, bro. Come on, bro. I just sat on this motherfucker for 3 hours with y'all niggas. Now, this is what you can do. Because I pride myself on saying that y'all don't gotta goddamn pay for shit, bro. Just fund up and come my free signal chat. You see what I'm saying? Come up in front of the free signal chat. And I'll make you all the goddamn money you need, nigga. We win together, we lose together in this bitch.
Hey, yo. So
Cool.
Tracy,
I learned a lot.
that's what I'm talking about. Funding the free signals chat. That gets you in the VIP, right?
That's going to get you in the free signals chat. All right, the free signals chat is just.
But
right
you
here.
got to use your promo code.
Yeah, you got to sign up under my link.
That's what I'm saying. Being that I fucked up, that means I'm gonna have to do it all over again.
Nah, you can switch over. All you gotta do is email.
Send me your email. Send me your email that you signed up with, and I can get you moved on.
All right, I'm gonna do that.
That's how you get commissions
This
on
right
Genesis.
here, as you can see, you get goddamn. As you can see, we got 1,200 goddamn people in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So niggas be goddamn in this bitch smacking shit. Withdrawals.
So I just send it to your Telegram.
Send it to my Telegram, please.
Yeah,
man,
I literally just sent it to your Telegram.
Y'all see these motherfucking goddamn testimonials in this bitch, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Niggas be in this bitch calling these goddamn signals, and I ain't the only nigga calling them too. So we got a few goddamn signals in this bitch. Use this right here to make all your money you need to invest. You know what I'm saying? If you want to get the Discord, if you want to get the mentorship, use this chat right here. All right, so this is how y'all get
calling
access.
it out, nigga. 12,000 people on that shit by the end of this year.
Come on, bro. 12,000. Come on, now easy goddamn money on.
Word.
Easy goddamn money on. So this is how y'all get access to this goddamn chat right here for those that don't, or that's not already in this goddamn chat. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use this link right here. Where's my shit at? I'm gonna drop this link in the chat. Y'all see all these testimonials, nigga. Everybody eating this bitch. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna use this link right here, and you're gonna fund up with this motherfucking link. We say at least 300, nigga. Don't be cheap, nigga. Yeah, you know what I mean? Throw some money in that bitch so I can make you some pay. Fund up. My send me a screenshot on Telegram when you finish, and I'll add you to the chat. It's very simple. It's very simple.
Yeah, I just did it. Is Genesis signal still popping or what?
What with the goddamn copy trade shit?
Yeah, that's still popping or no?
I don't really like that shit, to be honest, man. Like
I was just about to ask your ass, Tracy. You should let us copy your trades.
Copy trade. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. If you going no cap, hold on. What that bitch said he just made 2,200 on Friday off of Big Esco. Boom, boom. You see what I'm saying? That's free. You understand? So with that being said, bro, come tap the fuck in. Now with that copy trade shit, y'all know Genesis that came out would have got them swipe to accept shit, but it's a lot more convenient for y'all than it is for the signal caller. I'm not gonna lie. Like this shit is annoying for the nigga that got to call the signal. It's great for y'all to swipe and accept. For me, it's 10 times easier to just call the signal in the fucking chat. That's something that it's something that I've relayed that message to Genesis, and they're working on that shit to make it a little more easier for the signal caller. You see what I'm saying? They made that shit 100% like tailored to y'all. And it's kind of it's a little bit more annoying for me to have to go log into a separate app after I already typed shit out on Discord and Telegram. I gotta log into a whole nother app, and then goddamn, I can't even copy and paste it. Like I gotta do it a specific way. Like that shit take me too goddamn long. But by the time I got them called that shit in the fucking little shit, bro, the intro You see what I'm saying? So I ain't trying to got to be playing with y'all, bro. I'd much rather just keep calling that shit inside the Discord and inside the Telegram like how I've been doing until we can get it a little bit more efficient for me as a signal call to call that shit on the app. You see what I'm saying?
Facts.
And as far as the goddamn 100% copy, there is a goddamn option on there for y'all to just be able to copy my trades when every single time I got them pop trades go straight to your account. But I'm not doing that hands-free shit for you guys unless you paying me dog shit. And I'm pretty sure none of y'all want to pay me my price. You see what I'm saying? Ask me what my price is so I can goddamn piss you off.
What's your price? What's your price?
Give me $25,000 for me, and you can sign up for my shit.
You said how? You said $25. I got you.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, yo,
so
your
Telegram. Somebody, it was multiple questions.
See what I'm saying?
How you get commissions on Genesis?
How do you get commissions on Genesis?
Yeah.
By becoming a partner. Same thing y'all see me do. You see what I'm saying? So I can get y'all the bag the same way, bro. Like I'm never one to act like I don't do none of this shit, nigga. That, of course, that's the way that y'all gonna get my free signal chats if I get a little bit of back end off y'all, point blank period. You see what I'm saying? I have to, if y'all eat, I gotta eat too. You see what I'm saying? Now, with that being said, I can get y'all that same fucking bag. Like I'm not one to hide the shit, none of this shit, nigga. I can get every single one of y'all paid the exact same way. I don't know if any of you guys have a big following on social media. Or maybe if you don't have a following on social media, maybe you only already have your own trading community. Or maybe you don't. You just want to goddamn bring niggas to the win team over here and you can get paid for that. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's how what you got them do.
Yeah, I got Genesis, a big following.
Hey, so look, that's what you got them do, bro. Goddamn Genesis has a goddamn, they got a goddamn thing where you can get paid for putting people in position to goddamn pot these trades and make money. You see what I'm saying? So,
yeah.
With that being said, bro, once again, it's either A, you already got your own goddamn community and you already calling trades for your own people, or B, you don't got that going on. Just bring niggas to let me do all the hard work.
I do that. Word. Hell yeah.
All right.
I
So
have a quick question.
If that, hold on, give me 1 second, mama. Goddamn, for anybody that's interested in what I was just goddamn saying, bro, DM me the word either on Telegram. Do it on Telegram. DM me the word IB, right? That's saying IB along with your name and your phone number. And I can get y'all in a group chat, bro, and we'll goddamn run a Zoom call later on this goddamn week. Me introducing you guys to everything you need to know about that back end shit. Right. And once again, if it's something that you're interested in, bro, I'll put you in a position to make back end money on top of what you're already making with the trade.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? The easy money.
Trade with Tracy_bot. That's your telly?
That's the telly that goddamn does that's my bot's Telegram. My Telegram is my Telegram is TSCO1. TSCO1.
Oh, TSCO. All right, say less.
Mm-hmm. Who had a question? What's she at?
So you said something about transferring our accounts, like sending you our emails to transfer the account to you or something like that. Can you repeat that?
Yeah, so if y'all trying to get if you're already signed up with Genesis, maybe it didn't use my link, but you're already signed up, and you want to get inside my free signal chat, once again, in order to get under my shit, I gotta be signed up under me. So just send me an email on Telegram. Once again, my Telegram is TSCO1. Send me your email that you signed up for Telegram with. Sign up for Genesis with, and I can go ahead and send that shit to the back end and get them to move that shit over. You see what I'm saying? The second I get the confirmation that y'all accounts are moved over, I'll just send y'all the link to get in the chat.
Okay. I sent you mine, so I'm gonna be waiting on whenever you're ready.
So I get on this call and get the handle of shit.
Before you take off, Tracy, I got one quick question for you, if you don't mind.
Talk to me.
Yeah, you earlier, I mean, I know I've been on this call to know that you primarily trade based off of liquidity. And earlier you said you also look at market structure. So my question is, how does like intermediate term highs and lows factor into your analysis?
Well, it depends on what your definition of intermediate term highs and lows is. My definition of intermediate term highs and lows is a low like this.
Well, I don't see your shit.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see. I know y'all can see my screen, right?
I can see it.
How you spell the Telegram?
It's in the chat. My definition of intermediate term highs and lows, based on smart money concepts, will be highs and lows that ran stops. You see what I'm saying? So a low like this right here, where price goes below here and then fucking expands. And when we talk about intermediate term highs and lows, from what I know it as, once again, your definition could be a little bit different. If it is, please let me know. But I look at intermediate term highs and lows based off, once again, where price ran liquidity at. If I know that price just ran a motherfucking liquidity zone, like once again, this right here, or maybe this right here, what I think of intermediate term highs and lows is as protected highs and lows inside of the market. You know what I'm saying?
That's what you cover in that's what you cover in the course. My understanding was that for like an intermediate term low, you have like 2 short-term lows on each side. That would identify that as an intermediate term low according to ICT. So I was a little confused by that.
You say 2 short-term lows side by side, like more something that's like this.
Like you got that intermediate. You got that becomes an intermediate term low when you got a short-term low on the right and a short-term low on the left. Well, not even that, like it got to be a higher short-term low on the right and the left. So more like the one. Yeah.
I find example. I get exactly what the fuck you referring to. I just gotta find it.
Like how he defines long-term highs, long-term lows, like saying like 2 intermediate term highs or lows on each side defines like a long-term low or high. But you also look at stops being run as a factor or primary factor too.
So we talk about like the lows being like kind of like relatively equal things to that nature. You feel what I'm saying? I'm always going to be looking for those areas, like any area of major support or resistance, any major area of major high or lows, especially an area that hasn't already been liquidated. I'm looking at that as a target. You see what I'm saying? So if we're talking about, excuse me, a high and low to the left that's being goddamn respected, I'm always going to be looking at these areas as areas for price to motherfucker run to. Once again, in order for me to answer your question a little bit better, I would need an example to see what the fuck you goddamn looking at.
Like for example, that middle, that big wake up by that gap on the middle. Let's see here. Yeah, that one right all the way on top, If you go up there, now you see there's a short-term high on the left, short-term high on the right. That'll be like an intermediate term till that gets violated, obviously.
Okay, for sure. So an example like this right here, yeah, I'm gonna need to see that's target, 100% target. Aiming for that. You see what I'm saying? Like aiming for that. Now, if this was liquidated, it'll be a little bit of a different story. You see what I'm saying? But once again, when it comes to shit like this right here, where the highs and lows in the market are a little bit too clean, a little bit too good to be true, that's a target for me. I'm not looking at that as, oh, this is a sell area. You see what I'm saying? I'm looking at that as I'm trying to buy the run right through that.
How do you know what about the bottom part? Well, if that was on the bottom part, if you had an intermediate term low, would you look at that as a protected level and buy from that shit to target the top?
Based on that, this low right here.
Yeah. Say for example, we have a short-term low on the left and a short-term low on the right, and that was an intermediate according to that definition. You would look, because of the hot top-down analysis, you would look for only buys because that's where you see the higher time frame going.
Shit, scenario based, gang. I'll have to really see like in the. I mean,
gotcha. It's hard to describe.
It's hard to describe off the dome type shit. You know what I'm saying? It's real hard to describe off the dome. If I could really goddamn have a specific example, like this is the more picture perfect, I'll be able to explain it. But one thing I want to understand is that, bro, like price is very scenario based, especially in the way that I got. Damn, boy, tell me that dump ain't valid. Boy, tell me that's why I said don't touch it. That's why I said don't touch it.
I was just gonna say go get in there.
Come on, boy. That's why I said don't touch that bitch. Boy, I know what the fuck I'm talking about.
Watch that.
That's why I know what the fuck I'm talking about, brother. I know what the fuck I'm talking about with these charts, nigga. Anybody that bought early, boy, you're fried. You're fried. Oh God, you're fried, nigga. Oh, I called to buy, then I told you guys the buy was dead. I don't want it no more. Okay, but ask me if I got that.
So what you buy now?
I'm chilling. Wait. Yeah, I am looking for the buy 100%. But wait. Patient. She ain't get She ain't get 50% yet, guy. Wait. I mean, let me check higher time frame. I'm gonna get about 11:45. I'm gonna get about this bitch in a second too, y'all. I want to leave y'all with final remarks on gold though.
Yo, Tracy, one last question before you get out. Like one last question.
Come on.
So I bought your course or whatever, fire course by the way. But the kill zone, I've been studying it. But like it's almost like I'm missing the good setups and like I'm getting fried when I do take it. So like, do you trade it
Top
like
down
every single day or like
damn near? As long as price gives me a picture perfect setup, I'm not trading every single day. If I did, y'all would see signals from me every single goddamn day. I trade when price gives me an A+ setup. Just because the time is there don't mean that the price is there. That's first and foremost. You see what I'm saying? Don't force your hand to be something that's not there. Second thing that a lot of people goddamn be fucking up on when it comes to kill zone is the analysis. Just because goddamn at kill zone, if you got the course, you understand the kill zone, the scalper's paradise. You're gonna be looking at a 1 minute, you're gonna be looking at a 3 minute, maybe a little bit into the 5 minute. You see what I'm saying? But you got to be able to see as many candlesticks as possible within that 1 hour or 2 hours per time. So naturally, you're gonna be looking at the lower time frame. Just because you're looking at that does not disregard the higher time frame analysis. A lot of people just come on that bitch and get the market up to 5 minute, to 15 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, and don't look to the left at all to understand what the kill zone should do. If you don't understand your directional bias prior to kill zone coming out, then you're going to get hit with any random kill zone move you think is the one. When you come in this bitch, looking to the left and be like, all right, this is where we at. This is why I think price should be bullish. Let me look for buys during this kill zone. You feel what I'm saying? Then you already have an analysis, you already have a bias on what side of the market you need to be paying attention to. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's very, if you come on, if this was kill zone right now, and the only thing that I did was look at this 5 minute, you see what I'm saying? Then that nigga fuck around and goddamn, I don't know, bro. You know what I mean? Like, oh, this is not a good example right here on this goddamn chart right here. But point being, bro, when you come on kill zone, bro, do an analysis to the left, bro. Look and figure out what's going on, bro. You do the whole top down. Figure out what's going on this session, what's going on to the shit, bro. And have an analysis on where and why. Like, where am I sitting at? This was kill zone right the fuck now as we speak. The first thing that would have the first thing that would go into my analysis is where we're sitting at from a higher time frame perspective. I see on the 15 minute, I see we're inside of a bullish key area, right? Bullish got them inverted. Mm-hmm. With that being said, what should I be paying attention to? Buys or sells?
Buys.
You know what I'm saying? So if price ever just so happens to give me a like one of these false ass moves, like goddamn create a high or something, act like she want to flash down, and niggas and a random nigga see that as, oh shit, run on stocks, breaking structure bearish. No, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna get hit with a false goddamn flash for price really to goddamn do what she need to do to go off the key area. You see what I'm saying? Like shit like that happens, bro, when you're not paying attention to the right side of the goddamn market. The first step to that goddamn kill zone, bro, really understanding how to play it is once again, look to the fucking left and figure out why kill zone should be doing what the fuck it does. That should help you out a lot more, bro. I know a lot of motherfuckers that just because it's a lower time frame strategy, that means they only look at the lower time frame. Figure out what the session been doing, figure out what happened the day prior, figure out where we sitting at. Are we in higher time frame gaps? What are they, bullish, bearish? Are we stopping short of a high? Are we stopping short of a low? Did we just pierce a high? Did we just pierce a low? What should be the reaction from kill zone based on where we're sitting at on the chart? Does it make sense?
Yeah, I'm getting
you know what I'm saying? So that's how you put belt the kills on, bro. Like, nigga, once again, I know it's a lower time frame paradise, but that don't mean you only look at the lower time frame. You gotta have context on what the fuck is about to happen. And then once you know what's about to happen, then you goddamn have what's called fucking what's the word I always be saying? Fuck. I done forgot my goddamn sauce. Now you got discernment. You know what I'm saying? On what side of the market you pay attention to. You don't get faked out with the false sales because you know that price is bullish. You don't get priced with you don't get faked out with the false buys because you know price is bearish.
Points.
You know what I mean? Top down, get you that answer. But can you talk about internal and external liquidity real quick? Internal and external liquidity is all based on what you define your range as. As experienced traders, you should all know what a range is from high to low. Yeah. So internal range, say this right here is my range. I got a range right here. You see what I'm saying? Price is range and she's consolidating. You see what I'm saying? Whatever the case may be. I got a range. You know what I'm saying? Anything outside of my range, right? These are my highs and these are my lows within my range. Anything outside of the range will be considered external range liquidity. All right. Anything that's inside of the range, all of the short-term highs and lows that rest inside of the range, you know what I'm saying? All these little shits that rest inside the range is called internal range liquidity.
Yeah, internal
what
structure.
You should be doing is using the internal range liquidity to aim for the external range liquidity. Does that make sense? That's how you catch external range liquidity plays. It's by waiting for internal range liquidity to get ran and then aim for the external. You know what I'm saying? But that's advanced motherfucking sauce. But I hope that answers your question. That's how you play that.
I got a question, bro.
What's up?
I just got up in here not too long ago. I know you probably towards the end, but I'm just trying to see how deep off into it is you know, so I know where I'm at on it.
Boy, we all the way, boy. We about done, boy.
We about to end this motherfucker.
Yeah, boy, we about done, boy. If you just getting on the call, well, you missed everything. But what you can do is make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right the fuck here. This whole thing has been live streamed. So you can always go back and watch this shit. Y'all come to this channel right here, subscribe, hit live right here. And every single live session that we do every single week for free is live stream. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can come back, watch these motherfuckers Y'all
Cause
can see how
I just made a deposit. So yeah, I'm
That
trying to
shit
get active
real,
with y'all
bro.
boys.
for sure, bro. For
So
sure, bro. Let's get some
the
money together.
YouTube growing, man.
Hey man, we just hit 3,000 subscribers, bro. You know what I'm saying? And this is all off of really
He,
live
he,
streams, bro. Like I just started doing the vlogs. You know what I'm saying? Like it's really off of the live streams, bro. This is what's been growing. Is the live stream. You see, we get 1.2 thousand people on a live on YouTube. That's more than what's on Zoom. You know what I'm saying? So we're really growing. We're really growing. You know what I mean? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Come on this bitch, subscribe, bro. Come check out some vlogs and shit, bro. I vlog a lot too now. You know what I mean? Trying to show y'all the life of a day trader. This why the goddamn music videos and all that shit at too. But more importantly, nigga, come hit this live tab and come get all the sauce right here. This is where all the sauce at. And if you really want to get down with the nitty gritty, scroll all the way down, nigga. Hit videos and scroll all the way down past the vlogs and shit. It's how you know that shit ain't no goddamn cap, nigga. We've been doing this shit for the last, what I say, 4 years? And it's all the same sauce, my nigga. Just now it's mastered. You know what I'm saying? Like, so y'all can literally y'all go see me doing live trade sessions from 2023, nigga. If I'm lying, I'm flying. And tearing their ass the fuck up, too. This ain't no joke. You know what I'm saying? So once again, bro, don't be afraid to come on this bitch and study away. All the shit is free 99. These calls are free 99 once a week. You know what I mean? So be ready for the next one.
Certified snipers in this bitch, man.
That's how we coming.
That's
You
good
know what I'm
shit.
saying?
Yeah,
That's
that's
how
good
we
shit there.
collab with you, Esco, for
Hey,
your
hey,
music.
hey,
we
fam,
can do
listen,
whatever. We can do
man.
whatever.
I'm in the VIP in the signal shit. How in the hell do I share my winnings and shit? I be if you can't type in the chat, I be seeing you be like share your winnings. I'm like, how the fuck you gonna do that if you
Send
can't
them to
damn
me.
type in the bitch?
I'm weak as hell. You got send them to me, gang. You know what I'm saying? That's why we got to type. I got the
Send it to
Telegram and
you
chat.
like a DM.
On Telegram. TSCO
Okay.
1. This my goddamn Telegram right here one time.
Oh yeah, hey, speaking of the
How the
VIP,
fuck they sharing this shit if you can't talk in this bitch?
Your
Send the
minimum
bitches to
your
me, and
minimum
then
to get in your
I send them to
VIP
all the
is
chats.
200.
You know what I'm saying? What they say about VIP?
What's your minimum to get in there?
300.
All right, and what I just
More
have to send it to you on Telegram that I deposited?
That's all you gotta do. Send me a screenshot when you're done.
Say
Make sure
that.
you use my link to sign up. Send me your name and a screenshot so I
I
can go back and look at
what
your
if I
name.
already got an account?
Send me an email so I can get you moved under me. Who'd you sign up under?
Hold on, it's in my Telegram. A dude named Legendary Dre. I think he be with y'all.
Oh yeah, that's my nigga. That's my nigga. Yeah, nah, you good. I ain't gonna lie, cause we all in the
yeah,
same.
I'm signing with him too. I ain't gonna hold you.
Legendary Snipe, that's my nigga. Like I
All
ain't
right, for
going.
sure. Yeah, I signed up
Nah.
under his shit.
If you signed up on the Snipe, bro, you good, bro. I don't step on toes at all. And tell you that's my nigga, and we all in the same lineage anyway. If you sign up on the Snipe, send me a screenshot send me a screenshot of your shit. I get you up in there.
I say that.
Yeah, that's my dog. That's my nigga right there, boy. I fuck with that nigga heavy. If there's anybody I fuck with in the trade community besides the goddamn Slayers, it's that nigga Snipe. Yeah, that's my nigga, bro. We both came from the same shit. I watched that nigga come up from IML just like I did. We started at the exact same time. So to be in goddamn Africa with that nigga, bro, that shit crazy. And we about to go to St. Martin again. We about to go to St. Martin end of the month, nigga. We ain't playing. We outside.
Try to get in the circle with y'all boys.
Hey, come make 100,000.
Don't forget about my course docs, bro. Please.
I got you, brother. Mr. Mike Williams, brother. I got you, brother. Boy, I come to Houston. I'm coming to Houston, bro.
Mike Williams. Hey, so before you go, man, what how to get on this goal, man?
Huh?
Give us when you feel like a nigga should pop this goal, this buy for gold,
Hey,
so you can get up out of here.
I'm glad you brought that shit up.
I'll let y'all know. You'll see the say. As long as I catch it, I'll call the signal. You know what I'm saying? Well, I told y'all what to look for. Y'all should already have the key area marked up on your chart, and I just told y'all she stopped short. So if you've been following me, you know exactly what the fuck to look for. You know what the confirmation is. You know everything. So yeah, I mean, you shouldn't even need me to get in this goddamn trade, nigga. To be
Real.
honest,
That's
you know what I'm
even
saying?
when you said that. Looking to the left shit,
liquidity.
Because where is that now, bro? Like I actually caught that Sunday opening. You feel me? When that shit shot the fuck up, like that shit really filling that gap for real.
Just go do it every time. That's the law of the market, nigga. Let me tell you.
So it really just showed me not to pop. You feel me? Because I got the shot up. You feel me?
Just be patient, my nigga. Just be patient.
Hey, I got a question. One more question for the VIP shit, right? In the free chat. Why the messages be disappearing?
They don't. I don't know what you're talking about. I ain't never heard that before.
Because you ain't
My
paid
shit
for
be
that.
disappearing as somebody open it up. Like, you can't see the history of the chat.
I ain't never heard that before.
That mean you ain't paid
DJ
for it.
community.
Are they not accepting your membership or some shit? That's the only reason why I
I don't know.
disagree.
Send me a screenshot of that shit. I get it figured out. I'm finna
Yeah,
go, y'all. All right, good call for the motherfucking day. All gang, we outside, man. Good goddamn gunning. Appreciate everybody for popping out in this bitch, man. And everybody still on this call now, nigga. That shows who the real snipers, because we was about 500 deep in this 167 left. So shout out to all y'all niggas stayed on for the whole goddamn call. We're gonna get some good money this week, man. Make sure y'all funded up. Make sure y'all ready to go. Free Cinema Chat, niggas. I'll see y'all next goddamn week for another free call. Discord members, I'll see y'all niggas tomorrow. We're finna get to it. All right. Love y'all niggas. Have a great rest of y'all
Love you,
night.
Tracy. Good night.
Should I
See y'all
email you
tomorrow.
or telegram you, Tracy?
Telegram.
For the music?
Be blessed, dog.
The
Be
artist?
blessed for sure. Music, I don't know what the hell you talking about. Telegram.
No,
Deuces,
I said
y'all.
I got an artist for you. That I said
Telegram.
collab.